Hey guys, morning. Let me set up this room real quick and then we can get started. So let's see, I might be taking the scalp right here. See this real quick. Oh, shit, this thing's going so fast. Oh no, I'm missing the freaking whole move. Let me see this real quick. Man, my freaking MT4 is frozen. Oh my god, I'm missing the whole freaking move. That was a huge candle. Set up right there, 50-50. And this thing was moving way too quick. It's all good. All right, it's still moving. I get lined up right here. 25 mark. See how far it continues to push down. Damn, this thing is moving crazy right now. Nice. Damn, this is such a crazy breakout strategy, guys. Yeah, I'm currently in this right now. I'm gonna let it run, and then I'm going to. Oh damn! All right, so I've already hit 50. I'm gonna let it breathe a little bit. Let it continue to run. But I already know I'm gonna close out. If it pulls up too high, I'm gonna close out. 30 seconds left on this candle. All right, I'll push a little further down. 9 seconds on that. All right, I'm out. MT4 close my shit. Oh my god, I should have held on to it. Fuck, I made 3,000 off that trade right there. Okay. Nice, nice. Okay, not bad. Oh my gosh, it's still dropping. Oh my gosh, it's crazy, dude. Whatever, it's all good. I made 3,000 off that trade right there. I should have just held on to it. It's all good. Man, this breakout strategy is crazy. I'm gonna show you guys my profits right now. Let me just set up this room real quick. Sorry guys, this room started a little late. I was here, but I was answering questions. So I think I gotta just get ready with the room and not answer questions until after the live session. So I kind of missed out on a lot of this move right here as well. But I mean, for the most part, I locked in pretty crazy profit off that move right there. So let me finish setting up this room real quick. Once it's done set up, I will show you guys what I made off that trade. Yeah, I could have made a lot more, but I still made pretty good amount. It's just one trade this morning. All right, so I got this set up right there. Let me get this link sent out to you guys right now. It's all good. Where's Kyle at? Sorry, let me message you guys. Catch that. I messaged the K² admin group right now. All right. Link out to you guys over here. Send you guys a Zoom link first for you guys here in the premium. This is going to be oops. Fix that real quick. Zoom link. Kyle said you got 40K real quick. Let me check his chat real quick. No, he was joking actually. No, I actually caught 3K off that. I should have brought if I dropped 100 lot, I already locked 30K off that.
Me either.
Let me
I want to hire skills. Like, what's your reaction?
everybody real quick. All right, we're good. So let me get the Zoom link to you. I mean the YouTube link to you guys as well. For you guys who are not in the premium. Let's see. There we go. Good right there. All right. Looks like we're good over here. All right, let me just make sure everything's good on this end. That's good. All right, looks like we're all good to go. So I got that link sent out. Let me just send this over to the social media as well. Sent out. Get this over here. Nice. Byron made 2K off that. Awesome new strategy. Yeah, definitely, guys. So this is the new strategy. If you guys have been sitting in on the live sessions all week, I've been applying this every morning since Monday. So if you guys want to see how the strategy works, just go back and watch the previous videos. I'm not going to be teaching this to anybody. We're still testing it. But if you want to see how it's applied, just watch all the live streams from this week. And then you can rewind to when the market just opened. This is a breakout strategy when the market opens. So if you guys want to watch that, go ahead and check it out. And then, yeah, you guys will see what I mean by how this works here. But yeah, I'm not going to explain the strategy. It's not ready yet. We're still testing it, but it's been good so far. I think every day I've made at least a couple thousand just off this opening candle right here. I'll show you my profits too. So that I just took that one trade right there. Here are my profits for that trade. You can see right here for a sell US 30, I made $2,990 off that one trade right here, just one trade. And that kicks off my trading day, right? I have that there and that gives me cushion for the rest of the day to take some more scalps. So that's like where my big profit comes in. And then throughout the day, that's where my, I just pretty much just continue to stack on more from that point. Adrian, today I was late. There's nothing about today, but every other day I've been early, Adrian. So if you look at every other day this week, I've been on at like 6:20. Today's the only day that I was late. Sometimes it happens, Adrian, but it wouldn't even matter if you were to catch this because you still wouldn't know the strategy. You would still need still needs to know what we're doing here. You shouldn't just be hopping into a trade because you think it's going to move down. So even if that was the case, Adrian, it's not ready for you to even apply if you're trying to learn it. And if you go back and watch every other video from the past, it's the same thing that's being done. I think you do have the indicators too, Adrian, right? So if you go back and watch every single live session from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then today, Thursday, you can see that the strategy has been exactly the same every day. But today I was late, so that was my bad for being late today. But every other day I've been on here early. So one day of the week I was late, and it happened to be today. So it's all good. But yeah, Kyle, looks like a lot of you guys locked in profit off that. Let me see what else we got over here. Josh took it too. Kyle over here, let's see. Yeah, Josh got that too. Joey over here caught it too for small profit. Joey caught it for small, 45 bucks right there. Nice, nice. Gallo over here too. Gallo took the trade too. Locked in some profit right there, 1,160. So a lot of you guys did pretty good this morning. Damn, Kyle locked in 5,000. So Kyle took it too. He locked in 5,671 off that breakout right there. Other than that, that's pretty much it for that right there. Yeah, no problem, Adrian. Yeah, today I was late. That was my bad today. But every other day I've been early. I'm trying to be here earlier every day for those sessions. If you were here when the session started, Adrian did mention that there's just too many questions in that I was getting asked this morning. That's why I got held back. Guys, I'm probably not going to answer any more questions this morning until after the session is done, because this morning I got too many questions, and that's what kind of slowed me down. Even myself, I entered this trade kind of late today. I entered kind of down here while I was in profit because there was just too many questions. Every time I get up in the morning, I have like 200 questions to get to. And I think I'm probably just going to hold off on answering those until after this live session so that we don't miss any of these trades here. Nice. Josh over here too. Josh made 1,162. So a lot of people who just copied that strategy there. So whoever was here on time, because I was technically here on at 6:29. I was on like a minute before it opened. And a lot of people here did catch that trade. So if you guys did, Camo over here too. Yeah, everyone here killed it, guys. Nice. Tommy too. Look at Tommy said, I'm going to regret pulling out this early. That's what she said. Yeah, no, definitely. Everyone did pretty good right here. Robert as well. So as you guys can see, people were actually here when I went live. I went live on time, but it was like we had like a minute to react. So not everyone was set up. Even myself, my MT4 was frozen, so I wasn't able to take it right away. But just looking at everyone's profits over here, a lot of people did lock that in. Here's a timestamp from today. You guys can see that Tommy locked in 3,201 for this morning. He took 3 trades right there. Robert locked in about 1,000 for this morning. Camo locked in 1,952. Tam locked in about 638. Josh locked in 1,162. Kyle locked in 5,671. Gallo locked in 1,160. So everyone's up like at least 1,000 this morning. Joey over here on his personal account, 45 bucks. Not bad. And Josh right there on his personal as well. All right, cool. So yeah, nice. Okay, perfect. So Fidel caught it too. So a lot of people here did catch that trade. It just depends on how early everyone was in the session. I didn't send out the link, so whoever like was following me on YouTube got the link. So that's why it's important that you guys follow the YouTube channel so that you guys get an email. You guys get notified every time I go live, because sometimes I'm not fast enough to post the link. But if you guys are subscribed to the YouTube channel, you guys can catch it. Fidel over here locked in 1,000 for that too. All right, cool. Yeah, I'm just saying right here because some people over here like to use like a million confluences. You don't need that many confluences, guys. We just look at momentum on open right here. That's pretty much it. But yeah, I know because Braden over here trades like price action. He tries to get all complicated with it. Some people like to be complicated with it. They like to do all this price action stuff, which I mean it does work, but it's like you make it too complicated, you end up not taking the trade, right? We look at momentum here. We caught the momentum drop. We rode that down full TP. A lot of people want to have like 100 confluences, like, oh, what's the trend? What's the support resistance? Oh, is that a support? Like you guys add too much stuff like that. Like for example, here, if you guys were looking at this right here and you saw this drop, right? Other people probably wouldn't have taken the sell here. Like, let me see if I could find the support here. There's probably support at this area and some other like smart ass that like has all these things that they want to apply. They're like, oh, you shouldn't apply there because yeah, you shouldn't take the trade there because there's like support at that area. But in reality, you know, if you know what you're doing, then you don't really need all that stuff. All we use is momentum. That's pretty much it. So if you like go here, like let's go like on the 10-minute, there's probably a support right there. Or not even there. Let's go like on the 5-minute maybe. Because I know at some point there's probably support around this area. But I'm not gonna bother looking at it. I'm just trying to explain to you guys that you guys don't need like 100 confluences to catch this move here. All we do is we follow momentum. We caught the momentum there, and then we rode it on its way down, right here, right. These markups right here, these aren't zones. These are just markers for the 250 pip mark and 500 pip mark right there. Let's see this real quick. All right, let me go over here. And let me just, sorry, I'm like all over the place right now. I'm trying to figure out what I'm looking at right now. Let me see if there's any other trades over here. Let me see this real quick. Let's go. All right, let me see if this over here real quick. I'm checking out the admin chat over here. I'm just looking at everyone's profits. So like looking at this over here too, rain locked in 253. I'm just looking for some more scalps right now, guys. We don't really have anything that's available yet. So looking at this over here, let me just move this over here as well. I mean, there's just some people trying to be smart asses in the chat. Let me just explain to Brandon real quick. Brandon, are you here real quick? So Brandon over here trying to outsmart me. He's like, "Oh, how'd you guys find the momentum, bro? The daily from yesterday, right? We already knew it was gonna happen, like from like yesterday over here." And I'm just trying to explain to you, but because people over here, It's like, dude, like it's just funny because people learn like one strategy, they learn price action, they think that's the only way to trade, right? It's not the only way to trade. I created these indicators here to identify momentum, and that's how we caught these moves here. But you know, I'm not going to go and explain to everyone like how I created the indicator and all that shit because like, everyone wants to learn how I created it. But I'm not going to go and explain to everybody how all that stuff works. We're looking for some trades here, guys. So I'm done answering questions here. I'm not going to go to the chat anymore. I'm going to go and just look at everything else over here and see, you know, what else we're looking for as we continue. Let's see. Yeah, so Rain said that he tried to jump into this trade, but he didn't. He wasn't able to. He jumped into the wrong trade. Let's see. Yeah, because guys, I called a USD Cad position over here, but we're not. That position isn't running yet. It's still pending. So just a reminder, if you guys are looking at that trade there, I'm still looking at US 30 over here for a possible entry. Here, let me just take this off right here. There's no entries here off the 10-minute because obviously price is down here. We need the wick rejection off the pivot. There's no entries over here off the 3-minute, or even if you caught the 3-minute here, this would have been a scalp right down there for it'd be 25.50. See this right here. So you got that right there. We got this one right here. This would have been an order block entry, I believe. Yeah, I'll let that load up right there. And then here's a 1-minute right here. So I think at this point right here, we'll probably be looking for a sell. But we'll have to wait and see how this plays out. I'm still waiting to see how everything plays out from this point. Market opened right here at 6:30. So I'm going to mark up all the important times right here. Like I mentioned, usually we'll see how price moves from market open up until, let me just take this over right here. Nice. Sorry guys, I'm talking to, hey man, how many people are joining the thing right now? The Zoom. Every time someone joins the Zoom, it freezes my computer. Cool. So we're good right there. Off this. Oh, you guys can't even see my screen. My Zoom right here just keeps freezing up whenever someone joins the Zoom room. So I'm still looking for a scalp here, guys. We don't see anything here. I'm currently just waiting for something to appear here. Yeah, nothing off the 3 minute. We're just, I mean, basically right now, I think the only option we really have is the 1 minute until something starts to move around. It's only 7 o'clock, so we still have like about an hour, 2 hours for us to continue on. Let's see. Oh, thanks, Hamidi. Yeah, Hamidi said that I need to set up a class for meeting on a different computer so it doesn't happen to you. But the thing is, I'm streaming it on this computer, Hamidi. That's why. So I'll just have to deal with it. I know it gets annoying when it freezes up my screen when people join the room, but I might have to just set it up where Zoom just allows people to join in without me having to admit people into the room. That's the main problem. It's because I have to admit people, so it keeps it freezes up the screen, and it gives me a notification like, "Hey, Shawn, do you want to admit this person into the Zoom room?" I'll have to figure out how to take that off. I'm pretty sure there's a way. But no, thanks for the tip, Amidi. Nice, nice. Oh, nice, Jason. Okay, cool. Yeah, I was wondering who, because I see your name all the time, Hamidi or Jason. You know, whichever you want to go by, bro. Yeah, no, definitely, man. I'm gonna come visit you guys in Jamaica, bro. We're gonna have a good time out there once we make enough profit this year. Yeah, no, definitely, guys. I'm definitely gonna come visit you guys at some point. But yeah, definitely, Jason or Hamidi, whatever you want to go by, bro. Jason or Hamidi. Thanks for the tip, though. I'm gonna look into that to fix this. But yeah, guys, going back to US 30 over here, I'm still looking for some entries over here. I just don't see anything really, you know, showing up, and I'm just paying attention to the chat right now. I'm talking to the admins. We're trying to figure out what what trades we're planning on taking right now. Because this strategy right here, the 1 minute entry that we took here off the breakout, that's actually Kyle's strategy. So you guys can give a big shout out to Kyle, because Kyle's the one that actually showed me this, and Josh helped them, make it a little better. But this strategy is mostly Kyle, Billy, and Joey, I believe. They've been working on this for a while now, and they finally got it down. They introduced it to, Kyle showed it to Josh, Josh showed it to me, and then now we've been taking it every day, and it's been hitting like crazy. Yeah, that's crazy. Kyle just sent me his profits over here. I'll show you guys Kyle's profits over here. Let me show you what Kyle locked in. Balancing over here too. So yeah, if you guys have profits that you guys want to send over to me, just send them over to me on Telegram, and then I'll put them up with everything else. With everything else that I'm putting together, I'm compiling everyone's. Valentine said, I think I'm done for the day. So let me just show you guys what Valentine made. So Valentine, he showed me his profits right here. He locked in 1,132 for the day. He said he thinks he's done for the day. He traded gold and US 30. Like I mentioned, I don't trade gold, but Valentine has the strategy. So he's a applying it himself. So he's applying all these strategies on his own to take his own trades. And that's how he locked in that much profit off of gold. Also, Kyle over here for the week, he's up 11,176. I think this is funding talent account. Yeah, so I think he might be almost done with passing that challenge or whatever they have at funding talent. All right, so a possible scalp right here for US 30. It's going to be a small scalp though, nothing crazy. It's just something really quick because of how the market's moving right now. So we'll see how it ends up moving over here. We might have some entries here on 3-minute as well. Looks like we got 2 minutes on that. All right, yeah, so I'm probably gonna take this right here. We got about 30 seconds. It's just gonna be a quick scalp, guys, like a quick, I'm not gonna put a TP stop loss. I'm just gonna enter exit manually. It's just gonna be a quick 100 pips. So let me just get this ready over here. I got this all set up right there. All right. So if we get that signal right there, I'll probably take it for a little scalp, like a really quick one. All right, I'm currently in it right now. Damn, I don't think I got into it. I don't know if MT4 is like lagging for you guys. It's not really, I don't think it entered my trade, which is all good if it didn't. And this MT4 thing is like something else. All right, I'm in it right now. I'm actually gonna have to manually exit it soon. All right, I manually exited, guys. I just hit TP off that right there. Quick scalp. If you guys are in the Zoom, you guys caught that with me. Oh shit, I made about 1,000 off that trade right there. That was really quick, guys. Let me show you guys my profit. I didn't realize I made that much off that because it moved so fast. I was manually exiting it, so I actually just caught that right now, like really, really quick. So let me show you guys real quick what I locked in off that right here. Okay, so that early morning trade right there, I made 2,990. That 1 minute scalp right there, I made 990 right there, right? So I'm up. Oh fuck, how much am I up today already? It's just morning. What time is it? 7 o'clock. I'm up 2,990 plus 990. I'm up 3,980 this morning from this live session with you guys. Oh man, this is like every time this happens, guys, it's just funny to me because we we catch these trades so fast. And okay, that's cool. Yeah, so I locked in another profit off that. Let me just check this real quick. Damn. Okay, cool. So another one right there, guys, off that 1 minute. So the reason why I'm going on this 1 minute right here, guys, is because there's no entries off the higher time frames right now. Sometimes we just have to go for these smaller moves until these over here complete. So let me just send this over to you guys over here. All right, we're good right there. Oh, nice. So Tam over here, she took that sell right there too, locked in some heavy profit off that. So guys, I see in the chat over here, you know, it's fine for you guys to have different opinions on how to trade, but obviously what we're doing here is working. So, I mean, if you guys are like, if you're just a hater and you want to trade price action, that's all good. You go ahead and trade your price action, but we're obviously doing better than you here at K2, right? So that's probably why you're hating. because you think that what we're doing here is temporary. We've been doing this for 2 years, bro. Every day. We've been profiting every single day for 2 years. So like, I mean, if you guys want to go learn from somebody who thinks they know how to learn to trade because they just learned how to trade like 2 weeks ago, that's cool. Go ahead and learn from that guy. And then when he blows your account, come back to K2. That's cool. You guys are welcome back. So it's all good, guys. I honestly, I don't care. If you guys want to go learn from someone else that thinks they know what they're talking about because they're profitable for 1 or 2 weeks, that's cool. You guys can go ahead, but I can show you all these dates right here. Who's profitable at K2? Everybody for 2 years now, every day, right? So, you know, the results speak for themselves, guys. It really doesn't matter to me if you guys want to go join some other group or whatever that. If you guys want to join some other group, that's your loss. You guys can go ahead and join another group. And you guys, when you guys blow your account with them, you guys can come back to us, and then you'll be like, "Oh, I should have never left." Well, that was your decision to leave in the first place. And it's not that I think people are going to leave, because like, who's going to leave this? Like, would it make sense for you to leave if you guys are profiting with us every day? It just doesn't make sense. But if you guys want to leave and go learn from someone that teaches price action, then go ahead and learn from them. It's all good. It makes no difference to us, because whoever stays with K2, we're still going to keep profiting. Obviously, we have the results to back it up. But it's all good, because I'm looking at the chat right now, and you guys are just like going back and forth, and it's like, what's like, someone is mad because we're profiting. We've been profiting every day for the past couple of years now, and I mean, I just don't get it, guys. I don't get it. Instead of you profiting with us, you just want to go and convince people to trade only price action, right? But you're not even profitable. You're not even that profitable. You're probably profitable like 1 day out of the week, a couple days out of the month. But over here, you're saying that price action is the only way to trade. It's not the only way to trade, bro. Go ahead and trade price action then. I really don't care if you want to trade price action, but we're going to keep winning here. So if you guys want to win, you guys know where to win at. But yeah, I mean, it's really up to you guys. It's up to you guys what you guys want to do. That's why I'm not deleting his comments. You guys can see it. Like, if you guys are in the premium, I'm not deleting any of this guy's comments, because I want you guys to go and learn. Yeah, I want you guys to go and see if you can be profitable with this guy, if he knows how to profit so well. But I mean, I don't care, guys. Like, and don't get scammed by people, guys. Like, just keep in mind, don't get scammed by people that act like they know what they're talking about. If they really know what they're talking about, have them trade for you live, like I do for you guys every single day. You know, because a lot of people keep asking me, what do you think of this person? What do you think of this strategy? What do you think of this other stuff? Honestly, I don't have an opinion, because all I care about is K2. I don't care about any other strategies. I don't care about any other traders. I care about who's in K2 and who's profiting with us here. You know, I'm here to help you guys out. I'm not here doing, like, I literally do this for you guys for free every day. So you guys are welcome at K. Everyone's welcome at K2. I don't care. And you guys are welcome to share your ideas. It's just, you know, don't go knocking down someone else's whatever we're doing here just because you think there's only one way to trade. All right. Anyways, we're looking for another scalp here. There goes my little rant. It doesn't matter, because there's no trades that came up while I was talking anyways. So I'm currently just waiting for another entry here. There just isn't one that's available. Yeah, Goldie said hitting from outside the club. Exactly, bro. Yeah, no, definitely. Nice. Larishna's in profit too. Larishna over here with her new FTMO. She locked in about $97 this morning. Congrats. Nice. Kyle too. I mean, Sisuk. So Sisuk sent his profits here as well. Sisuk locked in 652 right there. Yeah, his other account 1,480. So nice work, Sisuk, off that. So great work, Sisuk, right there. Cheryl over here as well. Cheryl locked in 3,082. So nice work off there. So this is what I'm saying, guys. We're profiting all day, every day. If you guys want to go learn a different strategy from someone, you guys can go ahead, and we'll be here waiting when you come back. So it's me see. Let's see. All right, cool. All right, we got this over here. All right, we're looking for some entries over here real quick. Let me see what else we got over here. We got that over there. We got, let's see, this over here. So there's no entries available off the 10-minute. I'm looking for another 1-minute scalp because there's nothing for us to really take right now. Until we get something, there just isn't going to be anything for us to take. So let's see. I'm just looking at where price is going right now. This is the 10-minute right here. Generally, price will have to choose a direction. It'll go up or it'll go down. So from this point right here, price closes below here. Price will need to go up or it'll need to go down. And then once it reaches, once it reaches 10, it'll either go, it'll reverse from wherever it's going. So we'll have to wait and see how this plays out from here. So we got this right here. And then we got, so we got that right there. I'm just trying to see what else we got. Sorry guys, it's just, there's so much going on in the chat today. Well, what's going on in the chat today? There's just a lot of stuff. Like everyone's talking to everybody. It's just like, man, I'm just trying to trade. I'm just trying to trade and make some profit. But there's like so many questions going around. there's too much stuff going around right now, guys. I'm fine. My profit, I'm already sitting pretty nice in profit for the day. I'm almost like 4,000 for the day for those 2 trades that we took this morning. So I'm not really, I'm not really too worried about my profits for the day, but, and everyone just everyone just wake up on the wrong side of the bed today. Seems like everyone is like going off today in the, in all over these places. So I'm trying to see what else is going on over here. Oh man, Nick just said, is today Earth Day? Nick said happy Earth Day in the chat. Today is Earth Day. Yeah, no, definitely. Thanks. Thanks, Nick, for the for the neutralization of everyone's arguing. I mean, everyone's just arguing right now. It's just like, guys, it's US session. It's not the time for you guys to be arguing. You guys should be trading right now. But I mean, it's all good, guys. I'm still going to be focused on my trading. So you guys can keep talking about whatever you guys want to do. I'm going to keep looking at these charts to see if there's any entries here. If you guys are sending messages, I'll take a look later because I just don't have time to to read everything that's going on in the chat right now. So whoever wants to moderate the chat, you guys can moderate it. I'm going to be focused on these trades right now. I'm going to try to catch more scalps. And then, yeah, no, exactly. We will, we'll keep moving forward with these scalps. I mean, it's fine. There's no entries available right now. It's just, I'm trying to go back and forth between the chat, going back between the charts over here. And I'm looking for a sell. So if you guys are wondering what I'm looking for right now, I'm possibly looking for a sell scalp right here if it comes up. But it might be risky because I'm looking over here at this, and this hasn't really set a direction yet, right? It's still bouncing around. So I'll go back on the 1 minute. Possible scalp right here on the 1 minute. Like I mentioned, when I trade on the 1 minute, I don't really keep a TP or stop loss, guys. I just manually enter and exit the trades because it moves too fast. So we don't have that sell signal, but basically what I'm looking for here, guys, is a sell signal to close. When that sell signal closes, I just hit sell like right away. And then when it reaches a TP down here, I just manually close it because it moves so fast on the 1 minute. We don't really have time to think. The only reason I'm looking for a sell right there is because everything is indicating a sell, right? The 10 minutes indicating a sell, 3 minutes indicating a sell. So I'm catching the smaller moves within those bigger moves. So I'm just waiting for this to drop right here. If it does drop, I'll enter for a sell, and then I'll just try to catch a small little profit off that and then close out. This is like legit. This is legitimately scalping. This is really what it is. It's just scalping. So I'm just trying to scalp another little sell right here if I could find one. We have about 10 seconds left on this. If anyone wants to hop in, you got to be really quick, guys. You guys can't miss closing your trade. If you miss closing your trade, you might get caught in the trade and you're going to get screwed. So you guys got to be in and out really quick. Let's see. I'm gonna wait for it to come back down and I'm gonna enter the sell as it comes back down. Sometimes I wait for the retracement because it does retrace a little bit. And then as it retraces, then I'll hop back in as it comes back down. And I'm just watching it. I'm literally just watching it. I got my finger on the sell button. I'm gonna hop into the sell real quick as it comes down. Sometimes I'll get in at a discount when it comes up a little bit, retraces, I'll enter at a higher level. But yeah, I'm just gonna watch it for a bit. See how it moves from here. And then we got 10 seconds on this candle. So I'll see where this candle closes. 5 seconds on this candle. Let's see. Still trying to get into it. I'm not in it yet. Waiting for it to come down. I'm like tempted to get into for a discount, but I gotta know my I gotta be disciplined about it because I'm not looking for these big wins right here. I'm looking for these small little scalps, just trying to catch it as it comes down, enter it right away, close out when it gets a TP, and then look for the next one. So I'm just watching it right now. All right, letting it come down from this point. Yeah, it looks like the market kind of slowed down a little bit. I was expecting it to drop right away. Oh man, this thing, it's crazy. We're on the 1 minute, so you'd expect it to move a lot faster, but it's really not moving that much. It's watching as it goes. I'm so tempted to enter for a discount right here. All right. I mean, price has got to move. It's going to have to move. This is US session, a New York session. There we go. Come on, need that drop. Need that drop. Big drop. Just sending you that big drop right now. All right, we see that rejection off the pivot right there. It's looking kind of nice. Just waiting for this candle to close, hoping for a bigger drop. And then I'm going to enter it and close it right away. Oh my God. No movement. All right, it's closing right now. Jeez, man. All right. This is there we go. I'm like tempted to just put a sell stop there so that it automatically fills my order, so I don't have to actually watch it, because this is like driving me insane how slow it's moving. But I don't want to put it in that order and then I miss the entire move because I'm moving too slow. All right, watching it right here. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay, perfect. There we go. I'm in the trade. Come on, man. We got 1 second left. There we go. Oh, that was so freaking fast. Oh man. Okay, hopefully you guys caught that with me. I locked in 1,200 off that trade. Oh my god, you guys gotta be quick. You guys gotta oh man, that was tight. All right, let me just show you guys real quick. See, that's patience right there. That's freaking patience. Oh my god, let me show you guys real quick. Damn, full TP off that. I'm out. Full TP. This is so fun. Okay, I locked in 1,235 off that trade. Oh man, this shit is so fun. It's so fun, man. It's so fun. That's why you guys gotta be quick. You guys gotta be super quick. I was literally waiting. I could have got up here, but that would have been risky because we wouldn't have known when it would have came down. Literally, you gotta wait when it triggers. You gotta fill it, and then you gotta close it as it goes right here. And that's what I did. So I took that trade right there. I locked in 1,235. So for the day, man, I'm up pretty nice for the day, guys. I don't know about you guys. But so I'm up 5,215 for the day, guys. So we're good right here, man. We're good. I'm out. Yeah, that's why I have two screens. So I have my trading view right here, and then on my right side, I got my MT4. So I'm just clicking, like I'm literally clicking sell, clicking close, and that's all I'm doing. So it is scary if you don't know what you're doing. We've been doing this like for a while now, so it's like you got to get in and out really fast. That's why it's important that you guys are in the Zoom. If you guys aren't in the Zoom, then if you guys aren't on the Zoom, then you guys aren't getting this real time. But we did pretty good off that right there. So nice, nice for whoever caught that with me. I'm gonna give you guys another update over here. Give you guys an update right there real quick. Oh yeah, Joey, I forgot about that, man. Joey, thanks for reminding me, bro. I forgot I hit you guys with the horns twice today. We hit TP twice. Let's see what we got over here. All right, I'm just checking this out right here. There you go. So if you guys were still in the trade, I should have just re-entered. Damn, I didn't even think about it. So normally we're not on the 1 minute, guys. So just to make this clear, we're normally not on the 1 minute. We're normally on the 3 minute and the 10 minute, but there hasn't been entries available on the 10 minute and 3 minutes. So that's why we're on the 1 minute right now. Oh shit, I'm not trying to close that. Yeah, but we're not always going to be on the 1 minute. We're only on this temporarily until we have some entries on the higher time frames. Right now we just don't. So that's why. Nice. Ardanius he caught his too right there. So let's see. So people here are locking in profits, guys. I don't know how you guys could hate on K2 if we're making you guys profits for free. I'm not charging you guys to like copy my trades here. Everyone's making trades here. Sharul over here as well. GJ, nice. So I just don't understand it, guys. I don't understand how people are in the room hating and like all this stuff over here. Right here. There you go. Shonda, congrats, Shonda, to you too. So like you guys can see all the profits that I produced for you guys this morning, right? But then you still have people in the room hating, like selling us that, oh, that's not how you trade. Well, I guess this isn't how we trade, right? But I guess we're locking in profits every day. But then when we ask you to show your profits, you don't show anybody, right? Because obviously what you're doing works and what we're doing here doesn't work, but we're still profiting all day, every day. So, you know, I'm just showing you guys the results here because the results speak for themselves. You know, I'm not here to really, I'm not here to judge anyone's strategy, but obviously what we have here works. I don't understand why anyone could hate on that. But whatever, you know, haters will keep hating us. That's why they're haters. They want to be K2 so bad that they want to outsmart us. But look what we got over here. We got profits all day, every day for years now. But whatever, guys, you know, you guys have your opinions. We have our opinions. We'll keep trading the way we're trading because obviously it works. And yeah, we'll just keep continuing on with that. Right there we go. Tam over there again with some profit. See, like guys, I'm like, you guys don't even have to be in the premium. You guys could just be watching me trade and catch these trades as we're going. But yet people are in the room like complaining, like, oh, that's not how you trade. How'd you see that? Like, bro, we have the indicators here. We can see everything here. And the thing is, I created these indicators. So like, this is my thought process. I'm just sharing my strategy with you guys. But yeah, if you guys want to learn the strategy, it's still available to you guys. Like if you want to learn the strategy and do it yourself, because like Shawn over here, he's doing it himself and he locked in like GJ trades over here. I didn't call any GJ trades. So he called these GJ trades here. He took those trades and he did hit profit on his own. So if you guys want access to the K2 indicators so that you guys can apply this yourself, you guys are more than welcome. Just go on the website, k2trades.com, click on K2 strategy course right here. And that's how you'll get access to the indicators. You know, if you guys want to learn how to trade like us, like I mentioned, this isn't the only way to trade, but this trade actually works. So it's like, but this trade is exactly, I mean, this is exactly how we trade every day. So if you guys, it doesn't matter if you guys want to trade this way or trade any other way, it's available to you. It's, you guys aren't forced to learn the strategy. It's just, if you guys want to make serious, consistent profits, then, you know, it's available to you guys. So other than that, let me continue on with everything else that's going on over here. Nice. Javier over here too. Javier locked in about 90 bucks off his personal account right here. He took GJ, EG. He's applying the strategy himself too. And then he took these US 30 trades that I called here as well. So I'll take a look at that a little later. Nice. Yeah, so great profits amongst everyone over here. And we're good. So I'm gonna be looking for the next trade here. We're done with that scalp, looking for the next one now. There's still nothing here on the 10-minute, nothing on the 3-minute right now currently available. So we're still looking on the 1-minute as we continue to identify these entries. So it looks like price is gonna be coming down for this session. So it looks like it's gonna be coming down and then possibly around 9, it'll consolidate a little bit. This is kind of what I see happening for the day for US 30. It's gonna keep coming down. So our bias is gonna stay as a sell. And then after 10, it's gonna go the opposite way. It's all good. Works for us. But yeah, guys, let's get back to these profits. If you guys are sending me messages on Telegram, I'm not going to respond to anybody until after the session's done. You know, I got to focus on these trades, guys. I'm not here to talk drama with you guys. You guys have drama with each other. If you guys think your strategy is the best, and that's cool, your strategy is the best, then it's the best to you, but it's not the best to us here at K2, because obviously what we're doing here is working. So yeah, guys, I'll keep looking for some more trades here. And if you guys are sending me messages, I'll get back to you guys a little later. I'm not trying to be distracted here, guys. I'm trying to call these trades for you guys, and I'm trying to make you guys as much profit as possible, especially right now. It is Thursday. So we need to close out this week strong. I mean, we have a great week so far, but I'm trying to make sure that you guys have an amazing week. So let's keep trading. And if there's anyone in KT trying to recruit you, like I mentioned, that's fine. You guys can go trade with anybody else you want to, but make sure that they actually know what they're talking about and that they're not just talking out of their ass like majority of people in the trading space, right? There's a lot of scammers in the trading space. If they don't trade for you live and you can't see what they're doing, like live, they're taking trades, analyzing, showing profits, et cetera, like we do here every day, then you should run away from them because they probably are just trying to sell you something. That's usually what it is. For us here, I actually analyze stuff for you guys. I call trades. I show you the profits. I show you everyone's profits actually. And, you know, I say completely transparent with you guys here. So it's up to you guys. If you guys want to go learn from someone else, that's completely fine. I don't care. We're going to keep doing what we're doing here. And I'm gonna look for this next scalp as it comes. So we got nothing coming right here. We want a opposite signal, like a buy signal right here. And then I want to catch it as it comes back down. Damn, guys, you remember how I was talking about getting in for a discount over here? If I got in like up here, I would have locked in way more profit. So instead of that 1,200, I would have locked in like almost 3,000 off that. But it's all good. Like I mentioned, it's not like, don't get greedy, guys. We're here to just lock in wins and consistent wins, right? We just want to lock in as many wins as possible and eliminate, if not, you know, avoid any losses and just keep growing the account. So, all right, looking for an entry here. It's cool. I like that this is pushing up right here because it's going to push up, like I mentioned. And then as it comes back down, we can enter for another sell. There we go. It's perfect. I want to buy signal up here. I want that up here, and then I'll catch it as it comes back down. Let me see if there's anything else over here that I can look at. 3 minute. No entries here on the 3 minute, no entries here on the 10 minute. The pivots are kind of far off, so it's kind of hard for us to really catch that. All right, cool. So we're just waiting for this to drop at some point. Once it drops, then we'll catch as we hop back into it. For us here. Just check mine real quick. I'll send you guys the profits here because a lot of people are asking about the profits. So what I was doing was I'll show you guys as well. So these are the profits that I was just talking about. You know, if you guys are here on the live session, this is what we took right here. So yeah, basically right here, this is all the profits that I took. So I'm just showing you guys, you know, being completely transparent with you guys again here, that, you know, all the trades that we're taking here, like all the trades that I'm calling, I'm actually taking these myself. Like that morning scalp that I showed you this morning, I did take that trade because you'll see a lot of people, like I'm just trying to explain to you guys that like, there's a lot of scammers in this trading space. So you guys want to make sure that you guys are learning from someone who's legit. It doesn't have to be me, but if you guys are learning from someone else, you want to make sure that they're legit, that they're analyzing the trades. Like for example, here, this sell right here that I showed you guys, right? I called the sell for you guys right here when the market opened. When I called that sell right there, I made 2,990, right? Again, right here, we took another scalp right here, which hit full TP. That's where I caught this 990 right there. And then again, right here for this scalp right here, I took that live with you guys. And that's where I locked in the 1,235. So I just want to make sure that you guys, because I get messages every day and I hate seeing it where you guys are getting scammed by people. Like somebody will be in the K² chat and they'll be like, oh, I know this strategy is better than Shawn's strategy. And then you guys go join them and then they end up blowing your account. You know, I just want to make sure that, you know, there are other traders out there. I'm not the only good trader out there, but there are other traders out there. But you guys have to do your work to vet them to make sure that they're actually legit and that they're not out there trying to scam you. So just showing you guys, you know, what trades that we did take today. And that's pretty much the profits that are yielded from the same trade that I actually called. I'm not just calling trades and not taking them on my own account. I'm actually hopping into these and locking in profits with you guys. So just keep that in mind. All right. So this was a buy scalp right here that we possibly could have taken, you know, using the pivot strategy. Unfortunately, we didn't take it. Even if I saw this here, I probably wouldn't have taken it anyways because it just looks too risky. But it looks like price might be shifting up now. It looks like, yeah, we have a big bullish move right there. We'll see. This might be a buy here, or what might happen here is this might just come back down. It might reject off the pivot right here and then come all the way back down. So we'll see. We're not hopping into stuff right away. We're just waiting for that confirmation before we hop into these trades anyways. And there we go. It looks like it's coming all the way back down as we speak. So we'll see what happens from here. There's no daily entry yet for US 30. Technically, we'll be looking for a buy for the daily entry because the let me see if there's a closer zone down here. Nope. 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 All right. So the closest support's actually down here. Price might drop even further actually today because the support's not till down there. So we still got a long way to go. So we'll see how this ends up playing out right here. Yeah, we might get a sell signal at some point right here. There we go. I don't know if I would take it though. So this looks a little risky because price looks like it's starting to consolidate a little bit. I'm just going to draw this up right here as well. Here on the 3-minute. Actually, I'm not going to draw it on there because it's going to confuse us a bit. I'm just going to draw it. This is 10-minute. I'll draw it over here. There we go right there. Yep. I just read your messages, Kyle. Yeah, guys, if like other people in the group are messaging you, well, I'm talking to the admins right now. If other people are like bothering you right now, guys, just focus on the trades right now. Don't message anyone right now. Just focus on the trades because I see Kyle did miss a couple scalps, Josh too, because you guys are getting bombarded with questions, or not really questions, but just people that just keep talking. So yeah, guys, just focus on your trades right now. I'll focus on these scalps as well. So if you guys want to catch these with me, I'll call them for you. But yeah, don't bother with those guys right now. All right, here we are with the snipe. I don't see any entries over here yet. Yeah, nothing yet. So nothing on the 10-minute yet. Nothing on the 3-minute right now, technically. And nothing here either on the 1-minute. So we're going to be waiting for another entry here. Profits are sitting pretty nice for the day, though. So like I mentioned, this is the profits that I added up right here. Those are from these 3 scalps right here. So all this together, it's a total of 5,215 this morning. Let's see Javier over here too. Nice. Javier over here took another trade. Let's see what he locked in. He took another buy right there. So he actually took it. So as you guys can see, I identified this buy right here, right? But I didn't take it because I was talking to you guys. So I missed this trade right here for this buy. But Javier over here, one of the K2 members, he sent me these eyes. And he sent me this profits. He actually took that buy right there. He made 30 bucks off that. So he's trading a small account right here. He's up 114 off his account right here. So nice work, Javier. I'll come back and message you in a little bit. But yeah, right now is the time to focus on trades, guys. Don't bother with like people like blowing up your ear right now. Whether it be in the chat or whether it be anywhere, it's New York session. You shouldn't be wasting time. You should be focused on trades. All right, so this might be another buy right here, actually. This is really tricky. Even if we get this buy right here, I'm probably not going to take it. We'll probably follow it, but I'm probably not going to take it. Because as you can see right here, price is now consolidating, right? See this consolidation right here? It's just consolidating sideways. You want price to be moving directional like this. Down, up, down, up, and back to down, right? Right now, it's not really moving up and down. It's just going sideways now. Until this ends up pushing up here, or until it pushes up down here, then that's when we'll start looking for stuff. But right now, it's just going sideways. And it's kind of weird to see US 30 move sideways, especially on the 1-minute, because we're in New York session. So it should be moving directional right now. Looks like it could be a possible reversal, right? Because right here it was in a downtrend, and then it broke the it actually broke the channel. Like, I don't know if you guys saw Jeff, like Jeff over here, he's usually talking about the channels that he likes to draw off the 1 minute on US 30. And congrats to Jeff too. If you guys know Jeff, he's one of our newer members. He's actually, he just had his kid right now. His kid was just born. So congrats to Jeff. That's why he's not in this chat right now. But this is what he likes to trade. He likes to trade off channels. It broke the channel right there. So it might be shifting to an uptrend. So this might be a possible scalp for a buy. I'm still tempted to enter it. I'm not 100% convinced to enter it yet, but you know, I'll think about it as we wait here. I mean, I got 30 seconds to think about it. Let's see. I'm going to go over here real quick. No, it still doesn't look like a good buy to me right now. I mean, it could be for a small scalp, but it just doesn't look good to me because right here on the 3 minute is trending down still. I mean, the 10 minute is trending down, 3 minutes trending down, and then on the 1 minute, it's just going sideways. So even if we get a buy signal right here, I'm probably not going to take it. Just FYI, if you guys are thinking about taking that trade. If you guys want to take it and you guys are feeling risky, then, you know, feel free. But yeah, we just don't have, I don't feel comfortable with it. Let me check out the YouTube real quick. I think I missed a lot of stuff here. Hey, morning to everybody here. In the YouTube chat. Looks like I missed everything here, but it's all good. We're just gonna be focused on these trades right now. Nice. I just saw Byron your message. Byron said, since I've been following out of 23, I've only lost one trade. Love your knowledge. Definitely, Byron. I'm glad to help you out here too. Because yeah, you've been here for a while. So I'm glad to see you're profiting with us pretty consistently. That's our main goal here. It's just to make sure everyone profits, whether you're in K² Premium or whether you're just in the public group. Doesn't really matter. You guys can still profit with me regardless. Cheryl said, my fingers were sweating with that 1 minute scalp, butterfingers, manual exit, no time for TP stop loss. So look at this big move right here. This is a possible buy, but I'm not going to take it. I'll just mark it up for you guys so that you guys can follow it. Yeah, to buy scalp right there. I'm not inclined to take it because it just looks too risky. But I mean, it might hit. Who knows? Or maybe I might just hop in for a quick little buy. We'll see. Well, we'll see where it goes. I'm probably gonna wait for it to pull back a little bit, and then if it shoots back up, then yeah, I'll probably hop in really quick for a quick little scalp. But I'm not really. I don't really want to enter a buy because it's going against such a strong trend right now. You guys can see strong trend down for the 10 minute, strong trend down for the 3 minute. So I'm not really convinced to enter any buys right now. Here, let's see. CT said, this is why I'm scared to take buys. Let me check what CT sent me. Yeah, CT said this is why he's scared to take buys right now. He's on the 15 minute. He analyzed this. He anticipates a really big drop right here for this order block, which I could see happening too. So that's why I'm not really messing off. There you go. Full TP off that too. It's all good. I didn't take it. I should have just went with my gut. There you go. That would have been a full TP for whoever took that buy scalp right there. I didn't take it myself, though. I mean, it's whatever. If whoever caught it, congrats to you guys. You guys can see if you guys just go with your gut, you could actually hit some pretty heavy profit off that as well. So nice work to whoever caught that right there. I didn't catch it. I was watching it, but I didn't catch it. But it is risky. It's probably just going to come dropping down from this point over here. Yeah, Jordan too. So Jordan mentioned, I have a strong feeling it'll sink soon, to be honest. Yeah, same here. I agree with you. So that's why I wouldn't have wanted to take that buy right there. But yeah, definitely off that. That's what I'm saying too. Because it's just going sideways right now, guys. Like if you guys look at US 30, it's going sideways for like a while. Even if I take this off right here, it's just ranging within these two areas right here. So it's not really pushing one way or the other. Yeah, I'll document this because we're still documenting the strategy, guys. This is why I keep showing the updates in the chat, because I'm documenting these trades here for this new strategy. So if the strategy does become an official one, you know, we have the documentation of the trades that actually hit, the trades that don't hit, stuff like that. So I'm just going to forward this over to you guys over here. Nice work. Cheryl over here locking some more profits as well. I don't know why this thing didn't come up here. Screenshot that. Nice, Byron. Byron said another 300. Congrats, congrats. Add another win to your win streak. Byron, you're doing good. All right, so we're good with that right there. Let me just delete this real quick. Okay. So I'm just we're documenting these trades, guys, because this is a new strat. Well, it's not really a new strategy, but I mean, it's basically the same thing as the original pivot strategy we're applying. But we only use this when there's no entries off the higher time frames. So let's see. Nice work, Cheryl. So Cheryl over here, she locked in a little more profit off US 30. She locked in about, for total for today, 3,286. Yeah, she hit the buy button on accident here. So it looks like everyone's MT4 is kind of lagging today. So sometimes people hit it really quick and then it ends up accidentally triggering it. So she took 3 trades instead of 2, but she still made overall profit. So she's doing good right now. Byron said 3 wins today. It's Christmas. Exactly, right? All right, so it looks like it might be shifting upwards. Damn, I kind of wish I caught that trade, but it's all good. I'm glad that you guys caught it. That's the main thing. Main thing is that at least some people here in K² are profiting, even though I'm not taking the trade with you guys. You know, like I mentioned, we're all here on the same goal, guys. There's no competition here. The only competition here is yourself. You got to stick to your rules and, you know, stick to proper risk management. I don't really care to compete with any other trading company. Obviously, I've been trading like this every day, so you guys know what our track record is here, or any other trader as well. Like, I'm literally here to help you guys profit, and we're all here to just grow our accounts together. So other than that, let me see if there's anything else here that I'm missing. Nice, nice. Okay, cool. Nice, nice. Thanks, Deswell. Deswell, our Forex profit over here. Yeah, hopefully you guys are all locking profits off this. You guys can see it's starting to shift, right? It's not really moving directional. It's kind of going back and forth. So this is why I'm being a little more careful now. It's only 7:47, so we still have some time to catch some more profit off these charts. It's all good. No, CT said, sorry if I jinxed it. I was just short bias. No, I'm on a short bias too, CT. It's all good. It's not, I was already saying that I wasn't too familiar with it as well, or not familiar, but I wasn't really comfortable with taking the buy before you even mentioned that chart. All right, so let's go back on the 10-minute here. Nothing on the 10-minute. No snipes over here that are available. Yeah, no new zones yet. 3-minute over here, no entry yet. Same here. And now we're just waiting for this. Forex trader over here said, never made money before I found K2, LOL. Yeah, I'm glad to see everyone profiting here, guys. You know, that's really what it is. It's here to make everyone consistently profitable, because this game can be won. A lot of people feel like this game can't be won, but in reality, it can, you know, especially for scalping. Because the thing is, the market can't really mess with you when you're scalping, because we're getting in and out of these trades so quickly that the market can't like reverse on you. You're just in, profit, out. You know, you keep doing it over and over again. And that's why I prefer scalping over intraday trading. Like it does take a lot more time. You have to be on the charts, but you could literally be on the charts for like 3 hours with me every morning and make a ton of profit just copying what I'm doing or applying the strategy yourself, if that be the case. So let's see, we got nothing over here right now. Yeah, it looks like price is starting, it's attempting to shift to an uptrend, but it hasn't shifted yet. So we'll see how this ends up going over here. Nice, Deswell. Yeah, Deswell said, I joined this community to learn about US 30. Been trading for years now. In September will be a year. Yeah, no, definitely it'll be a year with us, right, Deswell? And you made enough money, amount of money I made, I'm going to semi-retire. Yeah, I know, definitely. Deswell, you'll be our private pilot for K2 Airlines when we go around and travel and meet all the K2 members, right? Let me see if there's anything else here that I'm missing. All right, let me just check this real quick. Josh said, K2 trades, would you take the daily if it's a buy? That is a daily entry right there. I don't know. It's kind of risky. So I'm not going to call this trade because I think it's risky. But I'm going to mark it up so that we can follow it. So what I would do here is I probably wouldn't enter off this right here. I would wait for it to come down further because I think it's going to come down further. And then around 10, I'd buy it for a discount down here. This is where I would actually buy it. So Josh, I think you're here on the live, right? So Josh, this is kind of what I see happening here. I think price is going to continue to come down, or it might just consolidate sideways, but I don't think it's going to push into profit until after 10 a.m. Once it reaches 10 a.m. over here, that's not even 10 a.m. This is 10 a.m. Yeah. Once it reaches 10 a.m. over here, Josh, this is where I would be inclined to enter a buy to ride that daily entry up, because sometimes it comes a little late. Like, for example, if you guys saw this right here, the daily entry came like way later. So market opened right here at 6:30. So market opened right here at 6:30, right? The daily entry didn't come until 1 o'clock. So 1 o'clock right here, you can see that the daily entry came really late and it was in an uptrend, but it didn't drop until like way over here, right? So that's why I'm more inclined to get it for a discount, because you could possibly catch it as it swings up and then get it when it's like at a discount right there and then just write it down from here. So that's personally how I would look at it. I don't feel comfortable with taking the buy right now, to be honest, like realistically, because like looking here on the, actually it's not going to push the all-time high, but it's going to push past the most recent high over here. It's got a lot of pushing to do before it gets to that point. So I probably wouldn't enter the daily entry here, but this would technically be the daily entry if you guys are looking to take it. I'll keep watching it and we'll see where it goes from here. But Francisco said, are these trades possible on FOREX? I barely started Saturday, so I don't know that much. Francisco, FOREX. I never heard of FOREX, bro. I'm not even sure what that is. Is that the same scam broker that someone was mentioning the other day? Here, let me see. So this is the same scam broker that was trying to pretend to be me. There's a scammer here that was trying to be me yesterday. I know, VidX Trade. So VidX Trade is a scam website, guys. I wouldn't go to that website. There's a scammer here pretending to be me. He's over here basically telling people to sign up to VidX Trade. I don't know about FOREX, Francisco. I've never heard of that broker before. But yeah, guys, just make sure that if you guys get a message from someone that you think is me, make sure that it's me. I'm never going to reach out to you initially. I'll never be the one messaging you. And I'll never be the one advising you guys to go to any other website aside from K2trades.com. The only website I'll ever show you guys is K2trades.com. I'll never send you any other websites aside from like FTMO and stuff like that. But if I ever send you a website, it's never going to be something like this, like whatever scammer this is. If he tells you VidX Trade, that's 100% scam website. Don't go on that website. If he asks you for Bitcoin, I don't ask anyone for Bitcoin, so don't ask for Bitcoin. All the signups are here on the website, so don't get scammed by anybody pretending to be me. Okay, guys, I'm just looking out for you guys here to make sure that you don't fall for that trap that other people are falling for. So let's see. Oh, but yeah, Francisco, sorry, I've never heard of FOREX, so I'm not sure what you're referring to on that broker. You'd have to check with your own broker to see if you can trade US 30 or if you can trade something similar to it, or even Forex. I mean, we trade everything here. Byron's asking, do you think gold will go over 1800? Let me take a look for you. Let's go over here and take a look. All right, 1 second. Byron, let me just make sure there's no trades here that are available for us before I hop into that. 1 second. Let me just check this scalp right here, possibly. Byron? Because this is possibly a scalp that we could take right here for a buy. So I'm gonna watch this for a second and see if this is something that I want to hop into for a late entry. A few seconds left. I'm gonna see how price reacts to these pivots here. All right, I'm in this trade right here, guys. I'm gonna hop into it actually right now for this little scalp. I'm watching it right now as it pushes up. It's like around entry still if you guys are thinking about hopping in. But you guys got to be quick. Like I mentioned, you guys got to be really quick with entering and exiting these trades right here. Because it's going to move quick. As soon as it pushes up into profit, I'm probably just going to close out. I was hoping I would have gotten at that lower discount, but it's all good. It's probably going to come test a pivot. Oh shit! Actually, TradingView didn't. I mean, MT4 didn't even fill my order. It seems like a lot of you guys are having issues with MT4 today. I kind of am too. It's a little laggy. It's not. Sometimes it doesn't fill my order if I hit buy. I have to like push it twice. And I think that's what happened with Cheryl too. I thought she ended up taking a small loss earlier because it was an accident. Yeah, I'm just watching this here. See how this ends up playing out. See these rejections off this. Still people joining the room. Yeah, I don't think I'm like tempted to get in right here at the low, but I'm just gonna wait for it. I'm probably put like a buy stop and just catch it as it swings up. I was trying to enter the trade, but my MT4 didn't execute it. I don't know if it's slippage or whatnot, or like what if the market's moving too fast. Sometimes it happens if the market moves too fast, it won't fill your orders. Or MT4 just it reacts too slow. Let's see what happens here. All right. See, 30 seconds left on this candle right here. Just gonna keep watching it. And then after this, I'll take a look at gold for you, Byron. We'll see what's going on with that. Because I know gold, the dollar is moving kind of funky today, so it's probably affecting the gold price. All right, just waiting for this to play out. Man, this would have been a good entry if we entered from down here. I'm thinking about entering from down here, but it does look a little risky. So I'm probably not going to. Just gonna watch it. And US 30 is moving like kind of slow right now. Usually it's moving a lot faster. Like over here earlier in the session, it was moving pretty quick. And then over here just kind of died down a bit. Let's see this real quick. Still watching it. Letting it do what it's supposed to do here on the 1 minute. All right. And I'm tempted to enter right now. But I got, like I mentioned, you guys got to be disciplined. Like I know you can make a lot more profit if you enter down here, but I don't even feel comfortable about the position. That's why I'm just waiting for it to like I know I'm gonna lose out on all this profit right here, like 200 pips, but it's cool. I'd rather get in over here and get in at proper entry than risk this right here. Unless you guys want to enter right here, you guys can do that, and then you'll minimize your I mean, you'll probably suffer like a smaller loss than if you would have entered at the original entry point. But I'll be watching it. We got about 30 seconds left on this candle right here. Man, it's like, I'm so tempted to enter right here. but I already know how that plays out. You got to go with your instincts. All right, there we go. Swimming back up. I might even enter it. If we get another buy signal, then I'll enter from that point maybe. Which we're probably going to get right here, yeah. So this is actually going to be a little bit closer. Down from this area over here. Let's see where it moves from. Yeah, it's like weird to see US 30 move so slow like this. It's only 8 o'clock. Usually it starts to slow down around 9. People go to lunch. But yeah, today it's just moving. It's moving a lot slower than I'm used to. It's pushing up. All right. There's literally no movement here for US 30. Let me see how far is it moving. Okay, there we go. It's only moving like 100 pips. And this is what I mean right here, guys. Like, check this out. This is moving like 500 pips. This is moving like 500 pips down. But over here, it's now just moving like a couple hundred pips. 100, like less than 200 pips. And it's just really, really slow movement. So let's see. All right, we got this buy signal here. We just need that buy signal to close. It'll give us a better confirmation for a bullish move. And then we can possibly, we honestly could even possibly enter down here. Because I do want to get in a discount, but I do want it to be an actual entry, not just, you know, random entry for me. 7 seconds. All right, so that's the actual entry right there. So there we go. We still have this one running over here too. So see, I'll be watching it. Oh my gosh, it's going back and forth off this 1 minute. It's probably reject off that pivot and then come back up. All right, we got 30 seconds left on this. Dang, this thing is, it's really not moving. All right, let's see. Start to move a little bit. All right, there we go. Some patience. There we go. Almost there, guys. Almost there. Oh, man. This volatility is super slow. But you can't take your eyes off. If you take your eyes off it, it might shoot up to TP and then drop back down. So you guys got to make sure to keep watching it for its every move. See a little bit of a little more of a push up, and then we can pull out. Or if you guys want to pull out now, if you guys don't feel comfortable with it, you guys can pull out right now if you want. Yeah, we got 3 seconds left on this candle. Jeez. All right. It's crazy to see it move like micro pips. Usually it's moving at least 100 pips per candle, right? Even the 1 minute. It's moving like maybe 50 pips, maybe 60 pips. All right, 20 seconds left. 10 seconds left. All right, it's pushing up. Man, we just need a little more volatility for it to push up. Jeez, man, it's just going back and forth. All right, I think I'm gonna close out. No, I'm hold on to it. What am I saying? Close out early. What am I talking about? We're already in profit. There we go. There we go. Full TP off that. So we got a full TP off that. No drawdown. Full TP off that, no drawdown, but I guess this strategy doesn't work, right? I guess K2 doesn't know how to trade, but we're still hitting TPs while the haters keep talking. There you go. Full TP off that, guys. Cheers to you guys, whoever caught that. Let me give you guys another update here. Yeah, I guess the strategies here don't work, right? It's all good. It's all good. It's whoever's lost who doesn't want to copy these trades. And there's another one right here. Actually, this one's gonna hit too. Oh, both of them. Damn, dude. I wish I took this one too. I didn't even get into this one. Freaking, I closed my buy stop. Whatever, I'll give you guys another update there. So another one right there, guys. For whoever entered that one right there. Nice work, guys, to whoever is catching these trades with us here. Yep. There we go. All right, guys, congrats to everybody here. If you took any of those scalps that I showed you guys, both of them hit TP right there. Cheryl said, "Damn, that buy is scary." It was scary. So I was like, I didn't want to enter right away. I probably could have locked in a little more profit, but it's all good. Peter said, "Shawn, put a few hundred lots, buy, make US30 fly." That's the goal, man. Soon enough, we'll be able to take some huge lots like that. Like I mentioned, guys, these strategies are still new. Like they're variations of what we're already applying, but they're still new. Nick said it wasn't patient enough, only made 18 bucks. I mean, profit's profit, Nick. It's all good. All right, so we're done with those scalps right there. Congrats to everybody who caught those. Sisuk over here, how much did you make? Sisuk made 1,000 off that right there. He made 407 off that trade. He's up 1,000 on this account. So nice work, Sisuk. Congrats. Steven over here. Damn, so Steven's on fire this morning. Look at Steven. Like Steven cracks us up all the time and he makes some really bad trades sometimes, but today he's doing good. So congrats, Steven, and you too, bro. Congrats to Steven for that. Let's see what else we got over here. Yeah, no, Josh took the trade too. So it looks like everyone here took that trade. Javier too. Nice, man. Congrats to everybody here. Nice. Henry too. Henry, see, you guys don't need big accounts here. You guys can trade on smaller accounts. Henry over here locked in about a little over 100 bucks right there. Congrats to you, Henry. Jason over here logged in 500 bucks. Congrats to everybody here. So congrats to everybody here who's locking in these profits here. Eric, he locked in 895. So you guys can see here. Yeah, look at that big push up right there, right? Huge push up right there, guys. So there goes the daily entry right there. Like I mentioned, it's a risky trade, so I decided not to take it. But if you guys did take the daily entry, it's in profit as well. Everything I called today is in profit. Everything I called today hit TP. So congrats to everybody here who Javier said I'm gonna go to sleep now. So Javier locked in 135. He locked in another buy off those two scalps I just called. Javier locked in another 130 right there. So congrats to everybody here in K2. You know, like I mentioned, my goal here is to make sure that you guys profit, guys. Like I'm not getting anything out of you guys going on these live sessions. These live sessions actually benefit me because they keep me on track. I can't make mistakes on these live sessions because I already know the haters are waiting to, you know, talk their shit. But they can't talk their shit when all we do is win here, right? So that's why we're going to keep winning. And my main goal is to keep winning. That's, you know, that's what we're going to keep doing here as we continue on. So, I mean, whatever, the haters can keep talking whatever they want to talk. And they're just going to keep waiting for me to make a mistake. But there's no mistakes being made here. Yeah, Nick said the USD CAD position is now active. All right, perfect. So now it's currently active, the USD CAD position. So this trade's currently active right now. This is why we had a buy stop there so that it wouldn't hit, you know, you wouldn't get in too early. But yeah, now it's currently active. So we'll see how this plays out from here. And then we'll follow through with the, here, let me just set an alert for the stop loss because now it's filled. So let's see. All right, looks like we're good to go. So we're good to go with that right there. We'll possibly look for a scalp over there as well as it comes through. Yeah, other than that, let me see if there's any snipe entries here. Nothing available right there. All right, cool. Nice. C6 said, so far made 2,532. Might take a nap like Javier because genius. Exactly right. I agree, Cheryl. It's starting to spread out, so it's looking for some nice entries here for us as well. So no entries off there, but we'll be looking for some here on the 1 minute. So I'll take a look at gold real quick for you. For who asked about it, Byron. Yeah. So I'll look at gold for you real quick. So same markup from, there we go, TP1 for USD CAD. Let me give you guys an update real quick. So there we go. I'm gonna delete the stop loss because you guys should be moving your stop loss and profit at this point. So let me just hide this right here to clean it up a little bit. Give you guys an update right there. What was that, 10 pips, I believe, right? So we're having a pretty great week so far, guys. Like an amazing week, actually. It's not just great, it's amazing for everybody here. Cheryl over here locked in 2 more scalps that I called, the 2 buys that I just called right now. Cheryl over here, she locked in a couple like 78 bucks and 58 bucks. She got in a little late, but it's all good. She still locked in some pretty nice profit off that. So there goes USD CAD right there. So everything I called today, guys, has hit TP. So hopefully you guys are locking in some heavy profits. Tam over here locked in 1,060. She locked in those sells right there that I called for USD CAD. So nice work off that, Tam. So great work to everybody here in K2. Everyone is just hitting, you know, profits hitting nonstop. And that's the main goal here. I want to make sure that you guys lock in as much profit with me here as possible every morning that I trade with you guys here. So let me go back to gold real quick. I'll just look at that for Byron real quick. So Byron was asking if it was going to hit 1,800. So 1,800 over here, it's going to mark that so that we can see where that price point is. Yeah, so looking at this right here, Byron, in order to determine if it's going to keep pushing up, I mean, obviously we're here for a buy, but to make sure that it's going to keep pushing up, we'll look at the dollar index. So I'll pull up the DXY right here. The DXY is actually kind of bullish right now. So, well, we'll have to wait and see how it plays out from here, Byron, because if this continues to drop, like say if it drops down from there, then you can expect gold to continue pushing up. However, if the dollar continues to push up from here, like instead of going down, if it goes up, then that's a different story, right? If that's the case where it goes up, then gold is going to end up going down. But so what I would recommend you focus on, Byron, is to keep looking at the DXY here. See what the DXY is doing. If the DXY starts to go up, then you can probably expect gold to drop slightly. As it swings back down, then you can expect gold to shoot up higher to where it's supposed to go. Obviously, it's not going to be a straight shoot like up. You know, obviously right here, it pushed up, retraced down a little bit, pushed up, retraced down a little bit. It could be charging up for another push up. One thing to look at would just be the DXY to see how it moves, because this is probably going to drop at some point. You know, this push right here was probably because of the unemployment news, right? I believe there was good unemployment news this morning. So looking at the unemployment claims, there's actually less. So last month, it was at 586,000 unemployment claims. It's now less. So this means that people are getting jobs, the economy is getting better. So with that said, you know, it's pushing up temporarily, but who knows how long this is going to last for. The dollar is still going to go to shit because you know, obviously price, the strength of the US dollar is just going to keep getting weaker and weaker because, you know, with the stimulus and everything, they just keep printing more money. So with that said, the dollar is probably overall going to be weak. It's eventually going to hit that price that we're looking at, but it's probably not going to happen today or tomorrow. It could, but, you know, odds of it probably happening are probably not, unless there's something that's happening in the news tomorrow. Actually, we have flash PMI tomorrow. So it might hit it by tomorrow, depending on how good or how bad the news is. So just keep that in mind. Byron, sorry, I forgot who was asking the question. So yeah, just keep that in mind, and then keep an eye on DXY to see how it moves, and that'll show you. I'll give you hints as to where the dollar is going to move here. I mean, where gold's going to move in comparison to the dollar. So let me check this real quick, see if there's any other entries here. Nothing there right now, nothing there. All right, so it looks like we're pretty solid at this point right now. There's possibly a buy entry here for US 30. If we get the rejection off the zone right here, because we do have a rejection off the pivot. If we get a rejection off the zone and the pivot right there, it would be a possible entry for a buy here using the snipe strategy. So we'll see. We got 3 minutes left on this. Let me just scroll over here real quick. Oh, damn, no way, Roland. So it looks like a lot of you guys are getting screwed by KOT for the broker. I don't. They might just be having issues with their broker. Like it's probably a broker side issue, because I'm using let me see. I'm using Hugo's Way on mine, and mine is working fine. Let me check real quick to see. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, my Hugo's Way is doing fine, it looks like. Wait a minute. Okay, I think there is a problem with it. My Hugo's Way closed late too, Roland. So it looks like some brokers are having issues. My FTMO is doing perfectly fine. I'm still hitting profits off that. Wait. What the fuck? Wait a minute. Let me relog back into my MT4. That's so weird. I'm looking at my live MT4 account. It shows that I haven't had any losses today, but I'm looking at my other one. Yeah, it shows I have no losses today, but I'm looking at, unless I'm tripping right now, I might be tripping. Okay, no, I'm tripping. That was an old email that I got from Hugo's Way. Okay, no, my trades are fine, Roland. I'm not sure what's going on with certain brokers with MT4, but it looks like certain brokers are having issues. That was my mistake. My bad. That wasn't me that had those issues. It's just that I'm getting these emails really late. That's so weird. Yeah, because I got an email here about an hour ago. It says that I lost a trade, but then I'm looking at my profits. I didn't lose any trades. Yeah, that's weird. It might be a MT4 issue or broker side, Roland. So hopefully they get that fixed up. Oh, let's see. Peter sent a picture. Let me check real quick. Okay, yeah. So their server is frozen at caught. So yeah, it is a server side issue. Roland, thanks for sending that, Peter. So yeah, looks like if you guys are using COT, you guys are having an issue. Thankfully, it's not mine. But yeah, hopefully you get that fixed. They should probably give you a refund, Roland. They'll probably just give you a, you can probably message them and be like, yo, what the fuck? Like everyone else here won these trades. Why did I lose them? And then they'll probably just credit your account. So hopefully that works out for you, Roland. Because that would suck, dude, if it ends up not working out because, it's a server side issue. All right. Anyways, going back to what we were looking at over here, I think Merciful wanted me to take a look at something over here. Let's see. Yeah, Merciful wanted me to take a look at NASDAQ 100. How do you want me to analyze it, Merciful? Do you want me to analyze it for a scalp or for an intraday trade? Because I don't got time to do both. So if you could let me know how you want to do it, or like how you want me to analyze it, Merciful, I can do it for you. So I'll do it for a scalp first, because that'll probably be, I'm pretty sure you're probably looking for a scalp. You're not looking for the bigger move. So you probably want to see it for a scalp move over here. I'll just pull up NASDAQ 100. There you go. Because I don't think you really look at the intraday trades for it. So just looking at the pivot strategy right here, I'll just delete everything off this. Let's see if we can find something here. So we got one right there. We're just analyzing this for a scalp using the snipe strategy. Let's see if there's any scalps that are available or anything that's currently running right now. So yeah, we got that. Turn that off. Let's see, we have a bearish momentum right here. A possible sell right here. First of all, for this, there's still 8 minutes left on the candle, but if it closes like that with a wick rejection off the pivot and the structure, then this would be provided for a sell entry right here. I don't know what the sweet spot would be for this, but I'm assuming it'd be like 250. Yeah. So depending on how this closes right here, then there would be a sell entry. Reason for that is we have a wick rejection off this pivot, wick rejection off the structure. We have the sell signal right here. The pivot isn't touching the body, so it's going to provide for a sell entry. So for a scalp right here, it'll possibly be a scalp for a sell, and that's that's the short-term analysis of NASDAQ 100. But it hasn't closed yet. We have 7 minutes left on this candle, so you got to make sure that it closes like that with a rejection off the pivot and the structure. So we'll take a look at that. So Byron's asking, what's my TP for USD Cad? Let me go back to US 30 real quick. Okay, perfect. So yeah, looking at, let me just see if there's any other scalps here. None. Okay, perfect. We're good. So anyways, looking at that right there, Byron, the TP for USD Cad is it already hit TP1 right here, which was at 1.24844. That's TP1. TP2 is going to be 1.24744. That's going to be for 20 pips. And TP3, full TP is going to be 1.24544. That's for 40 pips. We're only going for a 40 pip move for USD Cad. And that's fine. It's not a stupid question. You just didn't know what it was. So you're good. But yeah, that's a TP for it right there. All right, let me see if there's anything else here real quick. Oh, that's what happened. So Roland said, I'm down heavy now, bro. It TP'd for me too, but it kept me in. Yeah, it's because of the slippage. Because their servers were down, Roland. So what usually happens is called slippage. I don't know if you guys are familiar with slippage. Is if the server is down, it passes your TP and it doesn't close you out. So if that becomes the case, and you end up being stuck in that trade, even if it goes back and forth. So you're definitely gonna have to reach out to them for that, Roland. You gotta like definitely tell them like, yo, it hit my TP, so either pay you for that profit or just refund your account. I don't know if COT will do that. That's a problem with unregulated brokers. Sometimes these unregulated brokers won't honor when things like this happen. This is why I don't recommend unregulated brokers to anybody. But we understand the risk when we trade with them. So Hopefully you get that fixed, bro. That's gonna suck, man. It's gonna suck if they don't. See if there's anything else here for me to look at. Josh is asking if I'm going for a sell. Not necessarily, not right now. Let's see this real quick. All right. Yeah, Kyle said his cot isn't frozen anymore. Yeah, they probably fixed it by now, but I'm pretty sure they had an issue previously this morning. So it's 8:25 right now. Still looking for some possible scalps here. We haven't really had anything here on the 3-minute, surprisingly. Nothing on the 3-minute. Everything's been on the 1-minute lately, but everyone's been doing pretty good with, catching these trades over here. So we'll see what happens from this point. But yeah, guys, if you guys are sending me messages, I'm probably not going to be able to get to you guys right away. It's going to take some time until after we're done with this session here. All right. Yeah, Nick, I actually got out of USD Cad. When it dropped down in profit, I actually closed out of mine because I didn't want to have to deal with it. Let's see, we good. Let me see if there's anything here. Let's see. Amir said, can you check US 30 10-minute time frame for entry? Yeah, I'm gonna pull it up over here now. So let's see. We're here over here on the yeah, this candle didn't close yet, so there's no entry yet for that Mersabaugh off of NASDAQ. You gotta wait for it to close for that entry. So it hasn't closed yet, and there's just nothing there yet at this point. Let me go back to US 30 real quick for Amir. So Amir, looking at this over here, there's no entry yet available on the 10-minute using the snipe strategy. The reason for that is because we're looking for a wick rejection off the pivot. So we need a wick rejection off the pivot. There's one right here, but the problem with this candle right here is that there's no wick rejection off the K2SR zone, right? It's only off the pivot. So this candle right here doesn't qualify. In order for us to have an entry down here, we're going to need a rejection off the pivot and structure from this point over here. If we get a wick rejection off the pivot and structure from this point down here, and this pivot doesn't touch the candle body, then we'll have an entry, because right now we have a bullish bias from this buy signal right here. And that's why we're only looking for buys right now off the 10-minute. So currently right now, Amir, no entry, but there might be, within the next couple candles or so. So let's go back over here to the 3-minute. I don't see any entries here. I don't see anything here on the 1-minute either. But yeah, we're just pretty much waiting for this to provide an entry so that we can hop into it. But at this time, there just isn't no entry available. Let's see. Sanjeev said, I was checking Hugo's Way and it's taking only Bitcoins via Instacoin, and loads, no option for credit card or Skrill. I had a chat with support and they don't accept card at Hugo's Way. Sanjeev, you got to buy Bitcoin and then you transfer it over to your account. And then when you do that, it'll convert it to cash or whatever, whatever currency that you're using over there, Sanjeev. But yeah, unfortunately they don't accept card. If you want to use card, you can buy Bitcoin through Instacoin through your card. That's what I did initially. Yeah, I know exactly it is. It's now if I buy Bitcoin, I use Cash App, Sanjeev. I don't know if you have Cash App in your country, but that's what I used when I bought my Bitcoin to transfer to my Hugo's Way. Yeah, no, it's expensive. Bitcoin is expensive. Price is pretty high. And the thing with Bitcoin is I would be careful with Bitcoin, Sanjeev, because I think the price of Bitcoin is it's dropping right now, right? I actually sold off all my Bitcoin. So if you guys remembered how I told you guys how I trade Bitcoin, I buy Bitcoin whenever it dips. So when it was up here, when it started to drop right here, I actually sold all my Bitcoin. So I cashed out. Now I'm just waiting for it to come back down even further. I want it to drop a little bit further, maybe below 50. And then at this point, I'll just buy some more Bitcoin here, and then I'll just keep riding it up as it continues to push up higher and higher. So yeah, what Nick said too. If you can't use Cash App, I use Cash App because it's easy. You can also use Coinbase if you want to check that out. So thanks for that tip, Nick. All right. Other than that, I don't see any scalps here available for anything really. Nothing here on the 3 minute. We have a sell signal here, but there's no scalp available at this time. So we'll keep watching, see if we can find anything here. Oh yeah, you can use Binance too, Sanjeev. So Binance it's not allowed here in the US, so I'm not familiar with it. But I know a lot of other people do use it. So depending on what you want to use it for. Yeah, it looks like US 30 is starting to come back down. Starting to come back down to entry point. See what's happening here. All right. All right. Yeah, no problem, Sanjeev. I know it's kind of weird buying stuff for. I know when I first bought, deposited, so he goes away. I thought it was weird that they only took Bitcoin, but that's like another reason why they're unregulated. Stuff there can't really be traced, which makes it kind of shady. But I mean, if that's your only option, then then you kind of have to deal with it, which I mean is unfortunate. So we have a possible buy scalp right here available for the 1 minute. Like I wish I could find bigger entries off the higher time frame, but there's just nothing available right now. So possible scalp right here. Roland said it was in 1942. Damn. Yeah, it's crazy, right? It's like the market's playing with you today, Roland. All right, so I'm watching this right here. Possible entry for me. Buy. We got about 15 seconds left on this candle. Just got to make sure that it closes. Once it does, I can hop into this possible buy here. I'm in this trade right now. All right, watching it. Yeah, this thing's bouncing around like crazy. At least it's volatile. That's all we really want. Volatility is really what we're looking for here. All right, 20 seconds left on this candle. 15 seconds. Yeah, CT said I'll take that long scalp. Yeah, no, definitely, bro. I'm in it right now. I'm watching it. And about 2 seconds left on this candle right here. Still watching it. All right, we got about 40 seconds left on here. Just waiting for it. Just watching. All right, we just need a little push up right here. I want to put a TP, but the problem with putting a TP is the pricing difference between FTMO and TradingView, which makes it kind of difficult. Sometimes it'll close me out too early. Sometimes it'll close me out too late. I'd rather just do it manually since we're on the 1 minute. And I hate this. Like once we enter the trade, it always just goes sideways for a bit. It's never really like that consistent push. All right, there we go. 40 seconds on this candle. Oh man, this thing is really just messing with us right now. All right. and it blows my mind. It seems like every time we enter a trade, that's just when it goes sideways. Uh, every other area here, it moves, right? And then we enter a trade and it just goes sideways. Even these other ones here, they move, but all right, there we go. Push up right there. There we go. Yes, yes, another profit, 800 bucks. Boom, 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 boom. All right, guys, who locked in that profit right there? Oh man, nice. Yeah, I'm in profit hella this morning. These 1 minute scalps are crazy, guys. Like it takes patience and it takes thick skin, but man, if you could lock in these scalps with us, guys, this is your ticket. This is your ticket to profits. All right, let me show you guys my profits right there. All right, there we go. I made 800 off that right there. Got in a little late. MT4 is kind of lagging a little bit, but yeah, 2990 or 2990 plus 990 plus 1235 plus 645 plus 800, up 6,660 today. So there we go, guys. Another full TP off that. Congrats to whoever caught it. You guys are in the session with me, so you guys should have caught it with me if you guys did. If not, it's all good. Don't worry about it. Catch the next one. Nice. Jason locked in 400 bucks off that. Congrats to you guys. Congrats to everybody here who's following my trades. There we go. Another one. Oops. Copy this over here. Nice. Jason said another right there. Dude locked another 400 bucks right there. Congrats to you, Jason. Henry over here, another 100 bucks. Congrats to you too, bro. Ardanius over here locking 107. Congrats, bro. Nice, nice. He got in a little late, but he made profit. So that's all that really matters right there. Steven over here. What you do, Steven? Steven locked in a couple. Let's see. Oh, it looked like you moved your stop loss and profit, huh? So you made 150 and then 22 off that trade. So you made about 172 off that right there, Steven. So congrats to you. Congrats to everybody here. Congrats to whoever is in this room. You know, and this is what I'm talking about, guys. Like the haters can keep hating, but we're gonna keep profiting. So instead of them hating, they could have been here taking these trades, but whatever, it's their loss. And there we go. Nice. Forex trader made 150 in and out. Loving these scalps. Yeah, man, we've been doing crazy, bro. Stanley, what happened, bro? Stanley said, damn, as soon as I stopped watching the lives, y'all nonstop winning. Damn, Stanley, you've been missing out, bro. Like crazy. Gallo over here, how much profit you make, Gallo? Nice. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. A little over 1,000, it looks like, if you add everything together. Congrats, Gallo. Congrats to everybody here. TP1. All right, Jason, let me check real quick. So nice work to everybody in right here. Nick said I was in so late. He made 80 bucks though, so that's good. Oh, you almost had 80 bucks. Oh, you got 40 bucks off that. Okay, cool. No, good idea. Yeah, you guys gotta be really quick with these scalps because these scalps come super quick. But yeah, let me just send you guys another screenshot of my profits for right now and see where we're sitting for the day. So I'm just going to show you guys because I have a lot of trades that I took from yesterday till today. I just want to show you what I took this morning. That's why I'm like focusing in on just like one area of the profits because I don't want to skew like, you know, different profits from what I'm calling this morning. I want to make sure that everything I called this morning has been documented and that you guys can see that I'm actually taking these trades that I'm calling for you guys during these live scalps. So let's see. So here we go right there. All the K2. Nice. Cheryl said another scalp with Shawn. I might have to start hanging out more often. Right, Cheryl? Cheryl took another scalp with us right here. Locked in 3,489. Congrats, Cheryl. Nice work. Awesome, awesome work there. Definitely. Rain over here too. Let's see, Rain took those scalps that I called right there. He made about 65 and then 17 off that for a total of 271 for the day. Nice work, Rain. Congrats to you guys too. Congrats to everybody here. Everyone's doing real good. So what was I gonna look at? Oh yeah, USD Cad. So I'm already out of that USD Cad position, guys. Whenever it hits TP like that, I usually pull out. So it's still it's I mean it's like right about entry point right now. Here, let me just tell Jason real quick. So Jason, I'm not sure if you're here on the live. I think you're on the live session, right, Jason? So yeah, looking at USD Cad right here, it's like right at entry point. When it reached TP1 right here, I actually just closed out of it because I didn't want to focus on this right now. My focus was on the scalps. So that's why I closed it. We'll look at the indexes here to see what's going on with this. So the problem with a USD Cad is that the DXY keeps moving kind of funky, right? It like was dropping and then all of a sudden it just shot up. Looking at the CXY right here, they're both bullish. So with them both being bullish right now, they're probably both going to keep going up. Or I mean, they're like, since they're both going up right here, this is going up. And then this is also going for this right here. So this is going up and this is going up over here. With that said, this, USD Cad is probably just going to go sideways. So I think you're fine right now, Jason, if you want to hold on to it. But when it moves back down in profit, I would move your stop loss in profit because it is kind of risky right now because they're both moving up. So if they're both going up in this direction, one's not going to be stronger than the other, right? So if they're not stronger than the other, you're just going to see this go sideways. In order for this to go down, you want this to go up and you want the dollar to go down. So if the dollar goes down and this goes up, then that's going to be beneficial for you, for your position. But right now they're both going up. So that it's probably just going to, go sideways for a bit. But once it moves into profit, I would recommend that you move your stop loss in profit to guarantee profits and, eliminate your risk if possible. So going back here to US 30 on the 1 minute, looking for another possible scalp here. Yeah, there's actually a buy scalp here on the 3 minute. I didn't call this trade, but this gives me more of a reason to enter that 1 minute over there. All right, so possible entry there, possible entry here. I'm going to be watching this right here for a possible buy signal. All right, no, probably this one right here. So if you guys want to enter this buy scalp over here, you can enter a buy stop right here. This is gonna be the parameters for this 3 minute. This is using the 3 minute pivot strategy. We have the buy signal here. It's above the pivot, so that's gonna qualify for a 2B entry. With that said, these are the parameters here if you want to enter that for a buy stop. I'd rather just stick with the 1 minute. I'm just gonna catch the smaller moves. But if you guys do want to catch this is available to you guys. If you guys decide to, if you guys want to look at this here, this is where you would have to, look for that. So let me see this real quick. All right, looking for a possible entry over here. So I'm just looking for this right here, possible buy scalp off the 1 minute. Like I was mentioning, there's still a buy scalp here off the 3 minute for a late entry. You guys can also just place a buy stop there at this price point and then catch it as it comes up. So I wouldn't enter right now, but I'd catch it as it comes up. I would just enter that and then write it up to TP. But I'm personally going to look for a buy scalp right here. So if this closes right here, I'll take this for a buy scalp. We got about 30 seconds left on this candle. I'm going to see how it plays out, and then I'll probably hop into that right there. All right, it's 8:44. gonna let this fill real quick, and then I'm gonna step away for 1 second after this. I gotta answer this call. I'll call him back. But all right, we got 10 seconds left on this right here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm in the trade. So I'm in this trade right now. I'm gonna watch it, let it play out, and then I'm gonna go answer this call real quick. Oh fuck, did it fill my trade? Man, I hate MT4, guys. Sometimes it doesn't fill it right away. It didn't fill on mine, but it's okay. Yeah, it's all good. I'm gonna watch it anyways. So I'll just watch it, see how it plays out, and then I'm just gonna put a buy stop. Actually, that'll probably be better, so I don't have to like necessarily just stare at it this whole time. See what the price difference is for this. So let's see. Price difference for this is 34.90 minus 34. It's only off by like 10 pips. So I think I'm just gonna set my position, and then I'm gonna go grab this call real quick. Yeah, my math sucks, guys. I was trying to just set my TP stop loss. So I got to answer this call. Let me see if I can just put this here. 34103 minus 10. How do my numbers got so off from that right there? 34063. All right, so I'm gonna set a buy stop here, and then I'm just gonna go run and grab this call real quick. 34063. 3, 4. All right, I'm gonna step away for 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. Just give me 1 second. Dog's acting all weird too. I'm gonna take this dude out to go take him out for 1 second. I'll be right back, guys. 1 second. All right, guys, I'm back. Let's see. Hasn't really moved yet. So my position still hasn't filled. I have a buy stop, just waiting to fill right now for this. Which is all good. Let's see if I got anything right here. Yeah, we're just waiting for it to fill right now. Let me see. I think I have some messages here. Rick said, I jump into another 1 minute with Shawn. He doesn't end up taking this one too. Which one are you talking about, Rick? This one right here? I'm still trying to get into it. I'm just waiting for it to fill. It hasn't filled yet. It looks like it's about to right now though. So just waiting for it right there. I took okay, I'm in the trade now. So you should be fine now, Rick, if you're in the position. So I'm currently in the position now. I'm gonna watch it so I can manually enter exit it as it goes. Yeah, there we go. 10 pips. Yeah, everything looks pretty nice. Looks like it's pushing up pretty bullish, like where it's supposed to go. So that's fine. What the fuck? Oh my God. See, this is why I don't like putting a freaking TP. It stopped me out in profit already. So I'm already out. Guys, if you guys are in the position, you're fine. This is why I don't like setting TPs for MT4, because the pricing is so different that it closed me out like way too early, which is freaking annoying because I wanted to go for the full TP, but whatever, profit's profit. I'm not really complaining too much about it. It's better than a loss, right? Stupid MT4, man. I hate when it does that. So like, check this out. See how it's green right there? It's because I set a TP. I usually don't set TPs. I just exit manually. But since I stepped out to grab that call, I ended up getting stopped out early in profit. Well, not stopped out, but it ended up hitting profit target a lot earlier than I wanted it to. There you go. Full TP off that. So Rick, there's your horns, Rick. So there you go. Another full TP right there, guys, off that scalp. That I saw Rick in the saw Rick's TP right there. So yeah, unfortunately I ended up getting out too early. Like it triggered my TP way too early, but whatever. It's all good. All right, there we go. Another one. Who else locked in some profit off that? Charol, you too. So are you guys starting to get thicker skin with these no more taking calls during trading? Charol over here, you locked in 492. Nice work, bro. So everyone here is locking in some heavy profit today, guys. There should be no reason for you guys not to be hitting profits. Yeah, it's another win for me right there. You guys saw my profits right there on the screen. So you guys can see that I locked in. Here, I'll just take a screenshot of all the profits again from today, and then we'll add it up so you guys can see. And I took all these trades live with you guys, so there's no bullshit here, right? I'm completely transparent with you guys. You guys have seen me take these trades all throughout the day. So we're good. And that's the main key here, guys. This is what I'm trying to do for you guys. I'm trying to be completely transparent because I know there's a lot of people here who are getting scammed. I just got a message from some people here too regarding them getting scammed. So just be careful who you're learning from, what signals you're taking. You know, just make sure that the people that you're actually trading with actually know what they're doing. But I got no opinion on anybody else. I don't care about any other traders. I don't care about any other companies. All I care about is K2 and the people here in K2, because I'm going to keep helping you guys profit. And that's what we're doing here. All right. There we go. Another K2 US 30 scalp locked in today's live. There you go, guys. You guys can see how easy it is. Jason said, keep shaking the money tree, Shawn. Definitely. Jason made another 400 off that. Congrats, Jason. Congrats to you. Congrats to Steven over here. Steven, how are you taking these losses, bro? I'm like wondering how are you getting any, like, I know it's a small loss, like $5, but you should be making like way more profit, Steven. But you know, still congrats to you too, Steven. I'm just trying to figure out like how do you lock in like any losses at all? Because all of our trades have been wins for this, Steven. I think you might be making some mistakes, but it's all good. I'm not Javier, he woke up from his nap. Javier, he went to go take a nap after that last scalp, and then he missed it. Send this to the K² admins real quick. Yeah. Nice. All right, we're done with that scalp. Let me see if I can find another one here. Try to make you guys a little more money here before I log off for the day. It's about to be 9, so I'm probably gonna log off soon. Hey Jason, USD Cad is back in profit too, like we were talking about earlier. So if you want to move your stop, well, maybe it's too early to move your stop loss in profit, but it is back in profit right now. This 3-minute scalp is still running right here too, so I'm probably gonna scalp some more within it. But yeah, I mean, there's another 3-minute scalp right there that's pretty much running through. Nice. Ardonius over here. He said, best trading day ever. He's had no losses. Congrats, bro. Glad to see you. Glad to see like the local homies, you know, profit off this. Like Ardonius, this is like one of our homies that are actually like in my area. Actually partied with Ardonius. That's how I met Ardonius. And here he is at K2 making profit with us. So you're doing pretty good right there, bro. He best trading day, no losses. Nice work. But yeah, we're gonna try to catch a couple more scalps to see if I just saw your message, Kyle. That's for sure me all day, every day, bro. All right, we're gonna try to catch a couple more scalps before I log off for the day. I'm happy with my profits, so I'm not really, you know, profits is profits. As the profits keep coming in even more and more, I'm just gonna keep stacking them up. So let's see, for today, let me just add these up. 2990 plus 990, 1235, 645. And this is me not getting greedy, right? I'm entering trades, winning the trades. I'm not really going for the big wins. I'm just stacking up this from today. So this is just this morning. These live sessions, like this, during this whole live session this morning from when I opened up, like from 6:30 up until 9 o'clock, this is already what I'm up right now from these scalps that I'm taking with you guys live here. So, you know, if you guys want to make profit, I mean, this is, you guys are in the right place. And we're pretty much going through here right as we're going. Exactly. All right, let's see what else we got over here. All right, we're good over here. Yeah, I just saw the YouTube. Yeah, I'm telling you guys, we get like these idiots and they come into the room. They're always here like talking out of their ass. Go ahead and rewatch the entire live stream. See all the calls that I made live, all the live trades that we took, all the profits that we locked in live, and then you can go feel like an idiot after after you just talked out of your ass, bro. But it's all good. I don't really care. Yeah, these guys are idiots. It's cool. Kingship. Yeah. Yeah, looking for another buy right here, possibly. Nick, we're just waiting for this over here. Let's see. All right, I'm over here following this. Sorry, I'm just missing this right here as we go. Let's see. I'm looking for what you were saying, Mark. So I don't even see what you asked, Mark. There's just too much going on over here in the chat when I stepped away for a second. Oh yeah, Mark. It's always better to catch it on Zoom because Zoom is real time. No, Nick, Jay Pita, he's in K2. Jay Pita is responding to the other dude, Kingship, the little clown that's there, in the group. Yeah, Jay Pita is Joey. Nick, he's actually in K2. He was responding to the other clown that's in the chat right now. I don't care, whatever. Trying to catch the scalp here before we log off for the day. What's your simple question, Kingship? I don't see, like, you asked a question when I wasn't even here. Kingship's an idiot. This dude's so dumb. Go back and rewatch every live trading session from the whole year, bro. I mean, you're not, just because you're not profitable and you don't know how to trade and you're just here to troll, that doesn't mean anything to us because we're gonna keep profiting regardless. Yeah, because I guess I don't know how to trade here, Kingship, but I guess I could show you everyone's profits here. These aren't even my profits. See the timestamp right here, 21st. We could go over here. You like, yeah, Kingship is the dumb trader. I mean, he probably doesn't even trade. He's just here to troll, but it's whatever. Because I got days and days of profits of people here making profits with me every day, bro. So, like, go ahead and keep trolling, bro. Because you just keep talking and we keep making profits. Right? So it doesn't matter. So I don't really pay attention to these trolls, guys. Like, these idiots come in the room and then they try to just troll and they act like they know everything when they really don't know anything. But it was like what's his name was saying earlier. You see Ardonius over here. He's very mad, bro, because this dude doesn't know how to trade, doesn't know how to make. He's never made profit ever in his life, so he's over here trying to troll. But it's all good. He's super salty, bro. He like Kingship saw everyone's profits, and then now he changed all of a sudden. He came from being a dickhead, and then now he's trying to learn because he's like, oh, this dude actually does know how to trade. He's got profits all day, right? It's whatever, Kingship. It's cool because I'm gonna ban you after this, and you can't copy any of my trades. So I don't really care, bro. You already burned that bridge, so you're gonna get banned from the channel after this, which is all good. Let's see what else we got over here. Yeah, I don't care. We don't got time to deal with like trolls like that, bro. We're here to make profit. So if you want to troll, you freaking played yourself, bro. Congratulations, you played yourself, bro. Literally. Kingship, you're like such a dumbass, dude. That wasn't our stop loss, bro. You literally just joined the room and you saw something marked up there. That trade was just manually being left there. It was just being left there because I stepped to the bathroom and I went to answer a call. And then you're over here like, it's for cushion, bro. We're not, look at all of our trades from today. Kingship, like, bro, use your brain, bro. Like, stop thinking out of your ass and use your brain, bro. Have we lost any trades today? No. Have we lost trades like this whole week? No. So that we're not looking to lose trades, right? We're looking for like, we just have that cushion there. This loss right here was from the other day because that was an accident, because I accidentally put a stop loss there. But if we didn't have that, they're all wins, right? So go back and rewatch all the videos, Kingship, while you can. But it's all good because I'm not trying to deal with you as a troll. So I'm going to ban you after this anyways, so that you can't trade with us. Because you literally played yourself, bro, by coming in and talking out of your ass and not even like just being an idiot, bro. So it's all good because we don't really want you in here anyways. But yeah, let's let's keep going, guys. Looking for another scalp here if it comes up. You know, that's what you guys, that's what some people get for being an idiot and coming into the room and just trying to act like they know everything. So it's all good. Let's see. I'm gonna what should I report him for? What did you report that other guy from? Kyle? You reported the other dude from from child pornography or something? Yeah, it's all good, guys. I don't care. All right, we're all good. So back to these scalps anyways. We're going to be looking for the next one here. So let me see what else we got over here. Possible buy as we go. And then we'll see if there's anything else here for us to take. All right, other than that. Yeah, and I'm looking over here at the other stuff over here as we're going. Yeah, now Charlotte said, I just realized something. All the invalids hit TP as well. Yeah, I noticed that too, Charlotte. Like even if it's, as long as it's in the direction of the trend, and even if it's invalid, it's still I just saw what Kyle said. Now Kyle said reporting for child abuse. Hey Kyle, what happened to that guy that asked you for $50? Did you ever give him his $50? There was I don't know if you guys were in the chat like a while back. There was a guy here that kept asking for $50 and he kept spamming the chat. So Kyle like reported him for child abuse and it was like, if you stop asking for $50, I'll give you the $50. Yeah, I mean, if you guys have been in the chat for a while, we get these trolls like every couple of days. We didn't have any trolls for the past 4 days, so it was about time that we had a troll come into the room. So it's all good. It doesn't really bother me because it's just, I don't even deal with it anymore. If I see an entry, my focus goes to the trades. It doesn't go towards what we were talking about. But it's all good. So it's already 9 o'clock, guys. They're getting closer to 10. As we get closer to 10, like I mentioned, price starts to move kind of. It starts to reverse to some extent. So looking at this here, it's about to be 10 o'clock. So once it reaches 10, it's going to be risky because price might start moving one way or the other. So I think at this point, I might need to get offline because I know if I stay online, I'm going to start taking some bad trades or some risky trades that I shouldn't be taking. Joey said, I'm still waiting on that one guy's profits from earlier in the premium chat. Yeah, I mean, today was kind of weird. Well, not weird for trading guys, but today was just weird in general because there was a lot of trolls today. There's people trolling like in the chats. There's people trolling in the YouTube. There's people trolling everywhere today. But, you know, even though people were trolling, we still locked in all wins today. So, you know, it just depends on what you're focusing on, right? If like for me, I'm focusing on these trades. If you guys can just focus on it, then it doesn't matter how many trolls come into the chat, how many people try to disrupt us, we're still going to profit regardless. That's all that matters. Not exactly, Steven. Steven, your thought process with a lot of things, Steven, is funny. Like, you guys know Steven. If you guys know Steven from the chat, Steven, he always talks about, he says something, but a lot of things that he says doesn't make sense. Yes, Steven, you should do something about the trolls. You should probably go befriend all of them. Oh, you should befriend all of them, Steven. Ask some questions about about how to enter a trade and how to exit a trade. That'd be super beneficial for us here. Yeah, no, we're messing with you, Steven. You're a cool guy. You're a cool guy, but you do ask a lot of questions that just don't make sense. Nice. So John said he went back testing the session. Just about every K2 1 minute momentum signal I hit TP. I only saw 3 losses, and those are sells. Yeah, no, definitely. So I'm going to try to look for one more entry, guys. And then if we don't find an entry, we'll just call it a day. You know, we had a pretty solid day today. No losses, all wins. So I'm just, going to be like conservative with my trades because I'm not really, I don't want to flop on any of these because we had some pretty good profit today. Let's see the total for today. Yeah, is this the total? Yeah, so I added everything up today. These are all the profits that we took during the live session. I'm in total 7,150 for the day. And this is exactly what we locked in today. So nice. Nathan said, hey, glad I found this channel. Looking forward to watching all the vids to learn how to scalp. Yeah, no, definitely, Nathan. You can sit in on all the sessions today. We're always just messing around on here and I'm calling trades. So all the trades today were pretty good. But yeah, if you're new here, just sit in on all the live sessions. I trade live every morning for New York session. So just hop on, catch these trades with us. I usually stop trading around 9 because the market starts to move opposite. I don't know if you're like familiar with how US 30 moves, but this usually starts to move opposite from where it's going. Like for example, right here, it's moving up. And then around 9 o'clock, it starts to consolidate a little bit. And then around 10, sometimes, not all the time, but sometimes it ends up reversing the other way. It either reverses that way or it keeps pushing up higher. It just chooses another direction once you reach the middle of it. So let's see, it's 9:13 right now. I'll give it a few more minutes, maybe like another 7 minutes around like 9:30 or 9:20. If we don't see any entries at that point, guys, we'll probably just call it a day. You guys locked in pretty good profit today, so I don't want to risk it so that you'll you just don't want to throw away any profits because we already have a great day today. Oh, nice. Naven said, I'm in Europe, so it might be a bit early. Yeah, no, definitely. I mean, if join the community, Naven, if you're not in K2, just go on the website. You can sign up for free. Just go to the website right here at k2trades.com, click unlock your free access, and you'll get access to all of the groups over here, the free groups, the public groups, because we have a lot of traders here that are located in Europe as well. We have a lot of UK traders here, some traders located in the Netherlands, some traders located in just all over Europe. And they're still trading in the middle of the morning too. Like, well, my morning, your normal time. So if you want to sign up here, it's completely free. Naven, you can sign up for the free access. And then if you want to, if you enjoy it, then you can sign up for the premium, but there's no pressure. You don't have to sign up for premium. We still have these live sessions every morning, whether you sign up to premium or not. It's just when you sign up to premium, you'll have these indicators here, and then you can take these trades on your own. Because there's a lot of people here. Like for me, I only took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I took 6 US 30 trades. But if you look at other people's trades over here, like Tam over here, she took way more trades than me, right? Because she's applying the strategy herself. So it's just really up to you. If you want to learn the strategy yourself, or if you just want to copy my trades, you can do that too. But yeah, I mean, we're glad to have you here, bro. We're here to help you and help you profit and make sure that you understand things. As long as you're not like one of those trolls that just comes in and then just tries to act like they know everything, then that's a plus for us. So let me see. Damn, David, I see David over here going off on cryptos. All right, perfect. So we got a buy signal right here. We'll see how this closes. Hopefully we can catch one more scalp before we log off for the day. But we will we'll continue on with this. Let's see this real quick. There you go, Steven. There's Steven's humor right there. Steven always cracks us up in the morning, guys. It 4-3. All right, let me see. Nice, nice. Yeah, so Tommy, his profits, Tommy locked in 3,550. Nice work, man. Congrats, congrats. Yeah, Tommy said, done for the day. Every loss I took was following the trend, not following correct entry or strategy. Need to cut my bad habits. Yeah, exactly. But yeah, guys, you know, my goal here is to help you guys profit. You know, I'm not here to really, well, I'm here to hang out with you guys too, but for the most part, I'm here to okay, so Mo wants me to take a look at oil. So I'll take a look at oil for you guys too. But give me 1 second, Mo. I'm gonna see if we can catch a scalp here first. If I scalp over here, then we will take this trade here. Nice, nice. Yes, Naven said, not at all. I just got into Forex a month ago, learned so much and looking for learn more. Yeah, definitely, Naven. If you want to go back and watch any of the previous live sessions, you can do that too. Because I do trade live every morning. So if you ever want to go back and watch any of the live sessions, you can. And you know, everything is pretty much covered there as we go. And you can just learn by sitting in on these sessions because I do the same thing every day. It's pretty much the same process every time. So let me see a possible buy scalp right here for US 30. If it closes, we got about 5 seconds left on this candle. 3, 2, 1. Fuck, I missed it. Freaking MT4. All right, I'm gonna let it draw down a little bit, and I'll probably catch it as it swings back up. It's perfect. It's gonna get a late entry off this. It's gonna go back up. Oh, fuck me. All right, my bad. That was I was trying to be greedy and wait for it to come down a little bit because every time we take these trades, they've been like going to like slight drawdown before they actually push up. But we'll see. I'm not in the trade yet, guys. I'm just messing with it right now. I'm just waiting for it to possibly go down. If it does go down, it's cool because you know, we keep getting like messed with these trades here where they keep bouncing back and forth. But it's cool. If it goes straight to TP, that's fine. I don't mind. I'm not in the trade though. Fuck me. I should have just entered it. Now I'm like regretting not entering it right away. The one time that I don't enter it right away, it goes straight up. It's all good. Yeah, guys, and like so what I was mentioning before, these like this isn't our real stop loss. Like for these scalps, I don't set a stop loss. I'm just manually entering and exiting the trade as it reaches up because I'm not anticipating it to go down that far. You know, all of our trades are usually on point, but it's my bad. I didn't enter right away, so that's all good. I will follow it and see if I want to enter it or not. But I didn't enter that trade. Unfortunately, I didn't. All right, just waiting for this. Yeah, if it ends up shooting up like close to TP, I might just enter it with you guys and then just catch whatever I could as it goes up higher. But I'm not in this trade right now, guys. Just in, you know, FYI, if you guys are wondering if I'm in this trade, I didn't because I was getting a little greedy. I wanted to come down a little bit before I entered it, but it's all good. If it's TP, it's TP. It's good. So other than that, let's see. And this will probably be the last trade for today. After this, I'll analyze oil for Mo real quick. Let's see, Mo wanted me to analyze oil for you guys. Man, I'm so tempted to just hop in, but I'm not going to. I'll let you guys take that win. I'll let you guys take that W, and I'll just watch it. Fuck, man. It's all good. I'm like regretting it so bad. It's like one time I wasn't like, oh, hit buy right away. Fuck. Okay, there you go, full TP. There you go, guys. Another full TP right there. There we go. Off that. No, I didn't take that one. Damn it. Yeah, so I'm done for the day. Let me just, I'll analyze oil from all real quick, and then we'll call it a day. I regret not taking that trade, but whatever. We'll be back for some more tomorrow. Nice, Nick took it. So Nick made 138 off that trade. Congrats, bro. Nick made some profit off that. Everyone made some profit off that. So you guys are doing pretty good. No losses today. Pretty solid. Yeah, I mean, there's USD Cad right there. Neptune, it's still running. There's nothing different. And we're in this position from earlier. It hit TP1 and it's now moving down to TP2. So there's not really much for us to analyze here. It's the same analysis from before. It's the same strategy we use for all of our Forex trades. So let me go to oil real quick. And I think it's going to keep dropping. It looks fine as is. All right, so US oil over here. All right, so looking at this right here, I'll just analyze this from scratch. So Mo, check this out. This is a naked chart right here. I have nothing on the chart. First thing I'm going to do is turn on the K2SR indicator to identify market structure. So I'll identify market structure right there. Right there. Right there. Down there, we got a couple more right here. Hey Kyle, you know that troll that was in the chat earlier, Kingship? I think it was your homie from the chat, dude. The dude that didn't want to send his profits, right? Now it makes sense to me now. I think that was him earlier. That was he was trying to troll in K2, saying that like, oh, there's only one way to trade, but then he saw our profits and he's like, oh, actually, I guess it does work. All right, so looking at this right here, I think this is what you're looking at, right, Mo? So using the K2SR strategy right here, we have a rejection from this point. We got the sell signal right here. We got the break and close path structure right there using the K2SR strategy. So looking at this right here, this could be a possible break and retest. So a broke structure right here, it's retesting, and then it could possibly come back down from this point. Right there. The reason why US oil is going up right now is because of the news this week. So I wouldn't necessarily trade it right now. A lot of this movement right here is artificial. It's because of the news. So like they released the US crude oil inventories on Wednesday. It was not good news for the oil inventories. So for the US dollar, it went up. And then for the unemployment claims, this pushed up the dollar. So that's why oil pushed up temporarily. Like I don't think it's going to push up for a while, but it's probably going to come back down from here. So if you wanted to enter this, you can enter for a sell stop right here for a late entry off this trade right here, and then catch it as it comes down right there, Mo. So I wouldn't enter right now. This is like kind of a greedy move right here to enter at this point. I would wait for it to come back down right here, fill the order, and then come back down and you know, hit your TPF from that point. So that's basically what I see happening right here, Mo. Nice. Okay, perfect. Yeah. So Mo said, yeah, Shawn, that's right. I'm bearish overall on it. So I agree with you with your analysis on there too, Mo. So like, you know, with both of ours hitting it, I mean, you know, with both of our analysis lining up, I think you should be on point. You know, the push up right here was because of the news on Wednesday. Like I mentioned, you know, the crude oil inventories, they didn't sell enough oil. So that's why the price of oil is, it's not strong enough because they have the demand is not there. And then on top of that, the US dollar is just strong. You know, if you look at the DXY over here, I mean, it's not very strong, but it's temporarily strong, right? It's like pushing up right here. But if this ends up coming back down then we can expect oil to drop as well. You know, like how I just drew right there. So I think it should be good, Mo. I would just hang on to it, and then I would just be patient with it, right? Because if you're bearish overall, I think it's definitely going to come down at some point. But yeah, guys, so I think that's it for today. Wow, look at that big push right there. So I think that's it for today. Hopefully you guys locked in a ton of profit with us here. You know, I sure did. So hopefully you guys did too. But other than that, I think that's about it, guys. Thanks for showing up. Just a reminder, I do this every morning at 6:30. If you guys haven't already, if you guys can like the YouTube channel on the way out, I know it's probably going to attract it's going to attract people to the channel. But the thing is, I'm trying to help as many people as possible, right? A lot of you guys here just sat in on this session. A lot of you guys, this is your first time here, and you guys can see all the profits locked in this morning. So from right here, here's a timestamp for today. You can see Tommy locked in about 3,252 this morning. Tam locked in about 1,200. Tam's other account 516. Ardonius over here locked in 146. Steven locked in about a couple $100 there. Sharul locked in about $500. Rain over here locked in about 271. Shell locked in about 3,489. And you know, the list goes on, guys. We have a whole days of profits here. And my goal here is to help you guys out profit and be consistent with your trading like we've been doing this every single day. So, you know, I'm going to continue to do this for you guys every day. All that I really ask is that you guys like the stream so that we can find other people who need help with trading, right? Like, there's too many scammers in this space, guys. And I do this every day to be completely transparent with you guys. And I just want to make sure that you guys are on point with everything and that you guys are actually understanding what we're doing here so that you guys can actually build the skill to trade on your own if you wanted to. So other than that, guys, thanks for showing up. Let's see, CT over here. Damn, this dude took a big loss right there. See what he do. He took like a bad trade, but it's all good. So other than that, guys, thanks for showing up. And then I will catch you guys in the Telegram chat. And if not, I'll be back here, I think later this afternoon. We have a mentoring session later this afternoon with Andrea, actually. So I got a mentoring session today at 4 with Andrea. So I might have that live this afternoon. And then again, later today, I will have, I might have a session later with other people. So other than that, guys, I'll catch you guys later and I'll see you guys in the Telegram chat. So enjoy the rest of your day. Don't hang around the charts too much. You guys don't want to throw away any of your profits. So if you guys need to log off like I'm doing right now, I already know I'm going to make bad decisions if I stay online. So that's why I'm going to log off my charts and then I'll be back for Asia session. So